Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session stream. Or should I say, howdy, gang. I said I am working on that southern accent, guys, so bear with me. It's not up to scratch yet, but we will get there. We are only day 2 into the Grand Cup, so we got some time to work on that outlaw southern accent, or wild wild west accent, I guess. Guys, it is Tuesday, May 19th. I hope everyone has had a great Monday to start their week off, and now an even better Tuesday ahead of us, hopefully. Look, there is already some crazy numbers out there on the Grand Cup leaderboard, which we will get into later on in the stream. I'm excited to see how everyone has done so far, where you guys are at. I know there were a few of you here in the top 200, which was amazing. London Gang represent in the Grand Cup. I love that. So I'm excited to hear how you guys are traveling in the Grand Cup qualifiers this week. And other than that, just to hear how all you guys went in the New York session since we last spoke. So New York did provide a little bit of the dump yesterday. We are now back below 29,000 here on NQ. Numbers I didn't think we would see. I thought we were definitely last week going up to that 30,000 level. So here we are back below 29,000 here on NQ. We'll get into the markets in literally just a minute here. Frankfurt is open, so we will get to work. But first, as usual, good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Teak. Good morning, 10 Lots. Good morning, Gary. Good morning, Skibbity Toilet. Good morning, Laurentia. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Albanaz. Good morning, Amia. Good morning, Dino. Caustic, good morning. Good morning, G for Geo. Good morning, Bush Wookie. Hermes is here. Good morning, the Business Lens, as usual. Happy to see the Business Lens. I hope you're happy to see us. Good morning, Jakil Net. Good morning, GRV Singh. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Loop. Dezanti Trades. Good morning. Whiskey Tango, Diamonds Years, and Gia's here. Who else have we got? I am Manu Mouse. Knock my door. Mr. Rocket. Everyone's here. Good morning to you all. Let's get it. I hope everyone's locked in for the next 3 hours. We also have a guest joining us later on today, as well as the usual. The Nictator will be on, but as well as that, we do have a special guest. So I hope everyone's ready. And yes, it is me, Machine Gun Colleen, if you guys didn't know. Celine is not with us for the next few weeks. It is Machine Gun Colleen, so you guys better get used to it. All right, let's get into NQ here. This is the daily chart on NQ, and I will do, as usual, the top-down analysis, let you know what I'm looking at, and then I will find out what you guys are trading, if you have been trading today, and at what position you are in the Grand Cup, because I'm very excited to see who I have to come up against next week. And it looks like there are some interesting traders out there. I mean, I think top place, we won't get into it yet, but top place right now, 24,000, which is wild. All right, so this is the daily chart on NQ. Right now, an inside candle on the daily yesterday. We did close quite a doji candle yesterday on the daily, so bit indecisive. We have a week to the upside and the downside here, and we closed just close to its daily open yesterday on NQ. Now today we have flipped up to create that top week, and we have traded down below that daily open now. So we do have a bearish daily candle. Daily open is sitting there at 29,100. We are only a couple hundred points below that now, potentially heading down to this previous day low level, which I'm interested to see how we react there. Previous day low is sitting at 28,814.75. And then we have targets to the upside, previous day high, if we can get up there, that's 29,419. And then we've got those all-time highs, obviously, sitting at 29,782. I still like to be on the side of the longs, because I am still bullish biased based on the fact that we are yet to have a closure below a swing point on the daily, and that's how I like to use the daily chart for bias. So I use the gaps and the swing points on the daily. So right now we are sitting back in this bullish daily gap. Now, if we get a closure inverting this daily gap today, and then it's an actual closure below the swing point here, I would probably be flipping to a short bias and then potentially heading into this daily gap that I was talking about yesterday as a potential draw to go lower. But even then, if we do draw heavy into this gap down here between the levels there at 28,552 in between there, and then the low of that gap is 28,247, then potentially I am expecting a reversal out of there back to the upside. So Not sure if we're going to get down there today. We also don't have a lot of, well, really any red folder news this week, I think, but tomorrow, but definitely nothing on the agenda today for red folder news. So it will be an interesting day in the markets. Nevertheless, we love that. Hanku keeps us guessing. But right now for this session, what I'm looking at is currently 4-hour candle is an inside candle. We are yet to sweep out the previous 4-hour low or high. If we do sweep that previous 4-hour low, which we are looking like we are about to get a tap of that level sitting at 28,885 to the tick. If we do get down there, I am interested to long this. And long to potential targets like that previous 4-hour high level, back into daily open, or even taking out previous day high. So that's where I'm at the moment. No clear setups for me. And we shall see where this market takes us. I'm not going to force anything. Although I'm not yet in the Grand Cup, I will be joining you guys soon. So practicing the patience, the discipline, and everything that I need to take out this competition. No, but I hope you guys have been killing it. Let me know now. I'm going to read over the chat, see what I've missed. But let me know where you guys are sitting in that leaderboard. I want to know who in the London gang I'm going to come up against potentially. All right. Good morning, Nabita. Good morning, Stock Trapper. Joanna, good morning. Frankfurt opens at 7 a.m. UK, Caustic. Thanks, Orchids. Sian says, I like London session so much that I hit the like button twice. That's right. Everyone needs to have that attitude. By the way, yes, we will be doing a giveaway here today. Like yesterday, like every single day. I'm going to say 310 likes to bring Nick on, because you guys smashed it yesterday, and 435 likes for the first giveaway. That is the first. We can do multiple, but you guys have to hit the like target. So 310 for Nick, 435 to bring on. You know what? I'm going to write that down because I'm going to forget. But that is a like target, so make sure if you're just joining me, smash that like button, get us to the like goal, and we will do the giveaways. Mike says, howdy, partner. You ready for today's trail ride? Oh, hell yeah. JPTPO Trader says, I had to forfeit my account today in profit because my son is also in the competition. He hasn't traded an account yet. He's so eager to compete that I decided to yield my participation. W father there. I mean, that is amazing because you're letting your son have a go in the competition, and I respect that. So I hope your son takes it all the way. That would be an amazing story. Good morning, Bench Boss. Morning, Top Tick Nick. Rank 594. All right. That's it. We're going to this leaderboard. Let's talk about it. So we have still got Wall Street Matt up there in rank number 1. And I see he's starting to talk a little bit on Twitter. He seems a little bit positive, a little bit confident there in first place, but as he should, because he's holding that first place position nicely. Then we've got in second place, Razak Adekunli. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that full name, to be honest, but he is sitting in second place with $23,955 just behind him. That is literally a roughly $300 difference. So easily, this is a very tight competition between first and second right now. Very tight. Interesting to see that the guys who are sitting in second and third are nowhere to be seen now. So that's how quickly things can change here. I don't know if they're fully out of the competition or they've just dropped a little bit, but keep that in mind. Things are shaking up. So don't lose hope. If you're in the rank 2000 right now, there's still hope. Don't worry, because things are moving here dramatically. Then we have third place, V. Frau. He's sitting with 21,913. And again, that is roughly a $1,000 difference between third and fourth. And then as you drop lower, oh my gosh, between fourth and fifth place right now, that is $10. Everyone's going to laugh at my maths here, but that is a $10 difference. So things are very, very tight here in the competition. Whoa, this is something I'm going to call out right now. So Rish Neji just jumped up 3,456 places. So that's what I mean. That is what I mean. He's obviously just hit a banger trade and been able to jump past all of these people to now make a place in the top 20, which is unreal. He should be solid in that spot. Well, that's what we said yesterday, and now we don't even know if people with 10,000 are even safe right now. Who knows? But there are some crazy moves. We've also got DeAndre Evans, who just moved up 1,727 points, 27 places in the last 10 minutes, which is also unreal. But yeah, let me know. So we've got one of you guys is in the top 500. Who else do we have? JPTPO says I'm 51, he's 20, we're a family of traders. That's amazing. I love that even more, that you guys are a family of traders. That's my goals. I love that. Troy said, should I forfeit my trade if I made 10K on a trade I never meant to take because I fell asleep with the sell limit on from a trade I was stopped out on? Wait, what? But you made the 10K. Because I fell asleep with a sell limit on from a trade I was stopped out on. Does that mean you ended up making 10K? I mean, don't forfeit that account. If you're up 10K, you're in a sweet spot. Yeah, Brandon, that is potential for round 2. Potential there. Morning Loop. Tim Trades, I was on rank 641 with $7,500 in profit, but the account is locked, although I never hit max loss limit, but support is already checking. Okay, amazing. Support will help you out with that. I have no idea how to help any of your account things, but I hope that gets sorted ASAP for you. We got Trader Girl. Shout out to the girl traders out there. I'm 596 on the leaderboard. All right. Surely that is a secure place to be in right now. We got Mortada Hamid. I'm probably saying that so wrong, but he's 837th place right now. Bush Wookie says top 1,000 is 6.7K plus. Yeah, 100%. That is where we're sitting at right now, Bush Wookie, but tomorrow or after this session, that could completely blow out. So, guys, keep trading, but just remember, it is not about trying to get first place right now. It's just about trying to get in that top 1,000. Let me tell you, don't be trying to climb for those top numbers. Although it's good to know where the competition is at, but at the end of the day, to secure your place this week to make it through to round 2, you only need to be in that top 1,000. So just keep that in mind. Desante Trace is number 320 right now. All right, let's go. We got a few London session gang people in that top 1,000th place going through to next week. Troy says I'm 370 or so. Desante says 320 with silver shorts. Oh, I'm sure the guys who are in that top place, like, actually interesting. Are there any of you that didn't trade silver but in that top 1,000? Let me know. Curious. 2+ pack was not full board everything. No, I mean, you can. You literally can, because the great thing is this week you can reset 3 times. So you could potentially full port silver, full port NQ, whatever you feel, and then just go for it. And then reset if it really doesn't fail. But chances are, if it does get through the full port, then you might be safe. So, I mean, just saying, not going to give any strat away, but that is a possibility out there. I see it's going to be determined off placement, or is it random? I think it's completely random, BG. Yeah, the head-to-head second round, I think it's completely random. Made 8K yesterday with 1 mini NQ. Let's go, Sten Trades. That is a nice trade. 1 mini NQ, 8K. Can't you do the math? Let me think about it. How many points is that? $20 a point. 8,000 divided by 20. So a 400-point move? Damn. Nice trade. Oh, Trader Girl, I only traded NASDAQ. Let's go. All right, so that you are my type of trader, because that's going to be me coming into the second round. I mean, I'm not going to say exactly how I'll be trading, but I'm not the commodity trader, guys. You know that. I'm only going to be trading NQ next week, but I don't know if that's going to be enough. Brandon says, I didn't trade silver yesterday and hit 6,176. Nice, nice, nice. BG trades could have been a nice long. Not for me yet. If we're looking at the markets right now, I'm waiting for a reaction to the previous 4-hour high or low level. Right now we have previous day low to the downside as a target, and we have multiple levels to the upside. Previous 4-hour high, obviously Asia high. But I prefer now that the Asia low, well, my Asia low, yes, my Asia low has been swept. I'm hoping that we can get a reversal trade off this level. So I would need Asia previous 4-hour low to be swept, and that aligned with the Asia low would make it a clean long. But I need the model to play out. I'm not going to force anything into these markets. Hey, good morning, Kiz. Good morning. I'm good. And Kiz, it's not C money anymore. The next few weeks, I'm Machine Gun Colleen, remember? Remember the machine gun? Mm-hmm. The name is Freddie. NASDAQ sucks. He says silver for the win. I traded gold in December. I made like 15K, then I lost it all. Okay. Well, I was going to say that's amazing, making 15K trading gold in December, but then you lost it all. So not so good. But I mean, yes, if you guys know how to trade gold and silver, you can capitalize on those moves. Go for it, I say. But I'm just not the degen type. I can't be trading anything that I'm not comfortable trading these days. The Viban shoe, where is Celine? Oh, Celine is just on holiday. This is Outlaw Machine Gun Colleen here. Especially when we get joined by the Butcher later on. By the way, that is the only reason we bring the Butcher on here is if we get 310 likes. So y'all better like the stream if we want to get the Butcher on. But Mortaham says Mortahhamad. That is a very hard username to say. So it's probably 10K, I think, to qualify. We'll see. Look, I was saying plus 10K to qualify. Well, I was saying 15K, but I don't even know if that's going to be safe. I don't know what's safe. We're only day 2 here. There is still 4 more days. We have today, Wednesday, Thursday, and obviously Friday. But I feel like the numbers are just going to keep blowing out. So you guys got to lock in to still stay in this. Yeah, Brandon, $25 a tick on silver is just nuts. Yup. And me says Celine looks Western and speaks like a British person. Got to work on that accent. Let me know if you need a coach. Yeah, I do need a bit of a coach, guys. I know, I really do. And someone please help me with my Western accent. Is it Southern or Western? I need to know. I need the Western accent. Troy says a bunch of people will blow their accounts. Oh yeah, you can count on that. Alan says just a question: when we hit like, it only shows 151 here. Is it updated there? Oh, I'll tell you what the likes are really at right now, because you do have to refresh. You do have to refresh to get the most updated. So right now there are over 400 people watching and we have 153 likes. So we need 310 to bring that damn Butcher on. Stop loss, no stop loss Butcher. Let's make the column around here. DeSanti says, blew my account, hit reset, now I'm top 350 or so. What an inspiring story right there. Guys, all of you who were thinking about not degenning, go and degen. Go and full port, because this guy, DeSanti, just blew his account and then reset and now in the top 350. So, I mean, if that's not inspiring, I don't know what is. Let's go. Mario King says you gotta go for Western. Southern sounds not so smart. Okay, but what's the Western accent like? I need help. Are there like tricks? You gotta speak with the back of your mouth to talk American. Foreigners speak with the tip of their teeth and their mouth, and the Americans speak with the back. With the back. What do you think will be the floor after stage 1? Everything will reset for round 2. So everyone will have an even playing field. Yes. You know what? I'm just going to call you Mort, because I have no idea how to say that full name. Mortar. You'll be Mortar from now on. He says resetting makes it easier to full port. Lol. It's true. But you can do it 3 times, a maximum of 3 times. Peter from Chicago says long and slow talk. You mean like long and slow talk. Is that the Western accent? I think I've got it. I can't do it for 3 hours. You know what? I'll try better when Nick gets here, but for the first hour, I just can't. It takes a lot of energy to put on that Western accent. Where can I find Tradeify cup account details? You'll be able to see it on our page if you go to tradeify.co/grandcup. You'll be able to see everything there on our website. All the details about the cup and all the rounds and all the stages. And we even have even more information in the help center on if you just go to tradeify.co. Jesse James is Celine, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Thank you, Jesse. Crazy Cowgirl Western look. Yeah. It's the outlaw look. You're meant to be terrified of me. I'm working on it. It's Machine Gun Colleen, by the way. But he says, tell me, how are these people on their leaderboard up 30K in 24 hours in the Grand Cup? Dang, I missed a cheating code. Damn good trading. It's called trading silver, Jesse James. It's called trading silver. If you refresh, though, they're not in the 27 plus thousands anymore. Wall Street Matt is now sitting at 24,000. So it is not as crazy. It is pretty wild, though, because we've only had one full... Oh, how many full days of trading have we had? One. This is day 2. So there is a button here, by the way, to reload the page to refresh the ranks. But at the moment, everything is still sitting as was in the beginning of the stream, the top 3. But to answer your question, Jesse James, silver. The business lens Machine Gun Colleen sounds so cringe. The business lens, if that is so cringe, and you clearly have something out against Nick and I, you, my friend, don't need to join us every day. Although we love having you here. If it is so cringe, goodbye. But the chat, I let the chat decide my name. So you were technically taking it out in the chat, and I don't respect that or appreciate it. Razak is currently at number 2. Wait, we have him in the chat. Razak Adekunle Adetora, is that you? Oh my gosh. We have him, chat. We have him part of the London gang. London gang represent. Razak, will you tell us, what have you been trading? Have you taken multiple trades? What has been your strategy so far? Let's just do it. Let's interview like rank number 2 right now, live on the London session. This is awesome. Cameron says we need Razak to teach us clearly. I know, right? Razak, tell us how you're going about it. Because you've pretty much locked in your place, and a few others here are close. They are in the top 1,000. But what has been your strategy to get to that place yesterday? Because I don't recall seeing you in even the top 20, 50 yesterday. So you've clearly done the work in the New York session, and I want to know, what was the strat? That's just how you do that, bro. Celine Fan Club, how many traders are participating? Quite a few. I don't know the exact number, but a lot. Thousands. Now the chat is going off Razak. Teach us, Razak. Razak, my man, teach us the skills. Your strategy is simple. Gamble all full 10 micros. I don't know. It depends. We don't know. I'm not gonna assume anything. We got Razak here in the chat, so if he wants to let us know how he went about it, it'd be really interesting to know. But it is a competition, so I get it if he doesn't want to give away too much. Mia, no, don't give your strat to an outlaw. Razak says, I'm at number 1 yesterday. I will reclaim my number 1 position back tomorrow. Oh, all right. Well, I did not catch I wasn't watching the leaderboard when you jumped into first place, but right now, even being second place is insane. So Razak, if you want to let us know about how you went about trading, what you traded, how many trades you took, did you trade all the sessions? I mean, let us know. We're all eager to find out. Thomas says 14,000 traders on the leaderboard right now. Peter from Chicago says thought it was only 1 mini play. You can do 10 mini. No, 1 mini or 10 micros, not both. Never, not 10 minis as well. That's ridiculous. Minsk says, I guess he doesn't want to tell us. Well, we'll wait. Maybe he will give us something. Choice says, Razak, why risk it though? Yeah, interesting. I mean, Razak, you don't need to be number one right now. It is only the first week, which means to just get through to second round, you just need to be in that top 1,000. So you've more than solidified your place for round 2. It's interesting that you still want to push to get to first place, even though it's likely not going to change your outcome for the end at the end of the week. So that's interesting that you sound like a bit of a risk taker. So maybe that's the trick, chat. Maybe it's being a bit of a risk taker here is what's getting people through to that top 10 place. Morta says, I might start trading silver on my fundeds, lol. I mean, if you can keep up with consistency, go for it. But I have never taken a trade on silver in my life, so I'm not willing to just randomly start trading silver. It would really be degenerate trading for me because I've never done it and I'm not willing to take that risk. And right now we are getting a bit of a move on NASDAQ. I'm just checking if we had an SMT, but we didn't. Everything is good there. So no sweep of that previous 4-hour low level, so I'm not in the longs. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. If it wants to go off and take previous 4-hour high, it could be potential for me to short in the session today. But I'd prefer to be on the side of the longs now that Asia low has been taken. But let's see. The business lens, Razak, insider trading. I don't think so. Silver trading was just gambling, says Mo. I don't know. Let's talk to a silver trader in here. Is there anyone in the Grand Cup who traded silver that actually went about it with a model approach, that actually stuck to a strategy and didn't just full port? I'm sure there are, but are there any in the chat today? Jesse James Slim, 500 likes, and Razak comes on the stream. Let's get it. I mean, it's probably too late to organize it now, but potentially one day. Blue Forever says, Link, can you show us silver chart and how do people get so much profit? I mean, it's just simply in the tick movement. This is silver, and if you had shorted silver, you'd be up a whole lot. But silver moves, and silver is worth more than a move on NQ. So this is why people are able to make so much more. It's as simple as that. I'm just not a silver trader at all. It also means you're risking more as well, so it's not for me. Justin says, hi, Machine Gun Colleen. Howdy, Justin. Howdy, Justin. I need to work on my Western accent. Howdy. Also, I have to go back to not showing my eyes because it's more outlawish. Okay. Mario Kart King says, if you caught that short move, you'd be up like 13,000. Yeah, you'd be up a lot. Let's put it that way. Jesse James says, Celine, let's learn silver. We need to forget the Naz. Oh, Jesse James, I can't. Naz is my baby. And I just can't. I can't get away from Naz. She's my first baby. So I will always trade Naz. But not to say I might not add silver in there one day. I have started to add gold. You guys know. I've started to trade gold a little bit. But silver is a whole nother ballgame. I don't know. I don't know if silver's for me. No trades on gold today either for me. Just gonna watch NQ. Mo says silver is $25 a tick. On a 2.5k drawdown, it could easily swipe you out before going your way. Yes, this is the thing. Like with trading something like silver, you are also putting on a lot of risk. So it's not always upside trading an asset that, yes, can obviously reward you big time if you are on the right side of the playing field. It just means that if you are on the wrong side, you can be wiped out significantly and very fast. It's like when you're wrong quick. First of Crypto says the strategy is simple: buy low, sell high. Yeah, pretty much. That is pretty much the only approach that everyone should take when it comes to trading. But there are multiple strategies made around that. All right, Razak is in the chat, who's currently in second place in the Grand Cup for anyone who's just joining. And Razak says, focus on your strategy, your confirmations, and your risk management. Forget the pressure and forget how many people are focused on your strategy. Oh, wait. You just repeated. Forget the pressure and forget how many people. Focus on your strategy, your confirmations, and your risk management. There you guys. Guys, that is from the Razak from the second place of the Grand Cup. That is gold information right there. I hope you guys are focusing on your risk management because that is what's going to take you through to round 2. So there you go. You heard it from the man himself. It's part of the London gang. We're glad to have you, Razak. I must say, I don't recall seeing your username in here before, but I'm glad you're here for the London session. Glad to call you one of ours, our very own. I'm claiming that. And I hope I see you in the round 2. The name is Freddy says that's troll advice. You just gambled like everyone else. What? Why is everyone doubting him? Maybe he literally stuck to his strategy. Oh, Morta says Razak has YouTube videos. Maybe the source is in them. See? Guys, go and do your research. The competition is right here in the chat. No, Jesse James, you are not new here. Good try. All right, Razak is back in the chat. He says, forget the pressure and forget how many people are competing. Many traders already have profitable methods, but emotions change the way they execute during competitions. All right. That's another good point. I mean, if you're so focused on how other people are trading, you need to remember that when it comes to competition, a lot of that strategy and model work, framework trading goes out the door completely for a lot of people when it comes to competition. So that is a good point, Razak. Remember that, guys, that others might be degenning, but if you stick to your model, to your discipline, and to your risk management, it's probably you that is going to be rewarded in the long term in this competition. And he also says, because competitions have limited time, volatility matters. Pairs and instruments like gold, silver, and NAS can provide stronger movement opportunities if traded properly. So there you go. That is from the number 2 Razak Adatoro in the Grand Cup right now. That is gold advice, guys. Write it down, screenshot it, take it, think about it, and apply it to your trading as you go about the Grand Cup this week. All right, so right now, looking back at NQ, nothing has happened, nothing exciting here, nothing to see. Still currently within this previous 4-hour candles range. I don't ever like to trade a 4-hour inside candle and we haven't swept either side. Right now, looking like we potentially could be getting up into the previous 4-hour high level, and if that's the case, I will look for a short to the downside, targeting potentially previous 4-hour low, previous day low, and even down to this Tuesday's lunchtime low. We will see, though. We will see. Nothing I like the look of so far on NQ. There were definitely trades I did not take but could have taken in the Asia session. So if I take this off, there was some nice, there was a sell opportunity here. Didn't take it, wasn't at the desk. That was my 10 a.m. 10:20 was a sell opportunity. I was not in. That was a nice 50 points. And then this would have been a long opportunity, which was 40 points. So a clean Asia session it would have been for me, but I was not at the desk. So missed out on that, but I'm looking for the next time to strike. Arazak says, most importantly, don't chase many random trades. A few high quality setups are usually better than multiple emotional entries. Consistency and discipline will always outperform panic trading. That is true, Razak. That is true. The guy speaks very wisely. It sounds like, Razak, you were definitely a pro the way you were speaking about your trading. So that's good to know. But chat, it's definitely important to keep in mind not to panic and look at these leaderboards and think, oh my gosh, I need to trade more and more and more, when in reality you just need to secure a top 1,000. So really just keep an eye on that top 1,000 level. How much do I need to still cut it in? Even if you are literally rank 1,000th, you're safe. Don't worry about trying to get to the top. I mean, amazing if you have, but just keep in mind. Jesse James says, let's give it up for Senor Razak. Senor. Great job, my man. He says, you got this. Let's go. We're all rooting for you. We want a London session guy to be up there. Blue forever do top 1,000 get any rewards. Top 1,000 get to go to round 2. Good morning, Shay. And Jared the Traders is dropping bars. Oh yeah. When coursed and lots. That's funny. Razak is a true outlaw. Well, he's giving away a lot. I'll be honest. He is giving away quite a bit. Justin asked Celine, what did you have for lunch? And Justin, it's still the same old. Guys, I'm on this chicken, sweet potato, and a side of avocado lunch that I've been making every single day. It's just so easy and so delicious. So I can't really make it any more exciting. I'd be lying. That's exactly what I had. Yes, Morta, top 1,000 is guaranteed a prize, I think. Yeah, it is true, top 1,000, but it's a $1 million prize pool. So it will, the top place is getting 200,000, and then the prizes trickle down all the way down to the 1,000th place. Cyriliki says, don't answer it, Celine. Why not Cyriliki? Oh, because Justin asked it, not you. Damn it. Cyriliki, I apologize. You weren't quick enough today. Freddy's, can Colleen be the prize instead of money? That's hilarious. No. Guys, by the way, is anyone in trades right now on NQ? I'm curious to know. I cannot see anything right now. Obviously, I'm waiting for that previous 4-hour high or low sweep. But other than that, there is nothing here I'm considering taking. Other than those Asia trades I would have been in had I been at the desk. The sell off to the low there and the buy would have been nice. But right now, nothing. Nothing that catches my eye. We did sweep out Asia low there. That level was 28,929 is where I have my Asia low. That level has been swept. So I'm now considering how we react to that previous 4-hour high level. But we'll see. Short from 170, says Tensor. All right. Short from 170. You'd be up quite a bit. I mean, are you thinking about pulling profits at some point? And is this on the Grand Cup account? Because that's a nice trade. Boring Day Trader says, yes, I'm long NQ right now. All right, let's go. Long seem to be playing out nice. Razak says, I have 16 years of trading experience. Hell yeah, Razak. That is awesome. I mean, that's a whole bunch. Like, I have only been in this game for almost 3 years. Not even 3 years yet. So you have many, many years on me in trading. So I'd love to know more about your trading experience, Razak, as would the chat. If you want to give a little more, tell us everything. 16 years in trading is a long time. And have you been 16 years full-time trading? Curious. Fabs trades futures. I'm having Tradeify issues. Anyone else? Not for me. No. Actually, I'm having not Tradeify issues, but I'm having mouse issues again. What is happening? Okay, the mouse is good now. Okay. Tensor says no, it's a live account. I scout out. Okay, nice. Nice short. Anonymous says you need to bring him on stream at this point. Honestly, we are having a guest on later, but I don't know if we can handle all 4 on today. But you know what? We will talk to Brandon and see if he can come on this week. I'll do that. How about that? Potentially tomorrow. Razak, you got to hold your place up there. Fabs trade futures. As soon as I put in an order, I get kicked out for a loss. What? That doesn't sound like anything I've ever experienced on Tradeify. Ever. Could you be hitting your daily loss limit. Like as soon as you enter the trade, it's closing you out. Misty says I'm up 11.2 thousand but rank low. Holy. See, that's the thing. Are you in the top 1,000, Misty, or where are you at with 11.2k? Like for me, I feel like that should near solidify a place for you in the top 1,000, but it is getting, the competition is heating up. Good morning, B and Wills. Yeah, Dezante, I'm guessing that guy is trading the wrong contracts or something stupid. I don't know. Orchid Paths to Success. If I can guess your nationality, I get a free Tradeify account. Go for it. Orchid's Path to Success. This is for you only because you made the bet. You get one guess and one guess only. You can guess my nationality. Oh, well, where the accent is from is one thing, but what is my actual background? If you know what I mean. Murray says, looks like we've lost around 10,000 traders. Leaderboard was showing around 35,000 traders yesterday and 25,000 showing now. Well, damn. That is a whole lot have already dropped off here. So when we say the competition is heating up, it really is. So get to work, chat. Lock in. Razak says a big thanks to Tradeify for organizing this awesome competition. I know. Let's give a big W. I mean, hate to toot our own horn, but Tradeify is goated. We really are. Tradeify, the whole London gang here. Tradeify to the moon also, because we just smashed over 120,000 subscribers here on Tradeify TV. Actually, we could be even more right now. Let's have a look. 121,000 subscribers now, and we just crossed over 100,000 the other day. So big W's to the gang. You know, Brett, Vinny, the whole gang. Tradeify is continuing to break records here, and we love it. All right, Orchid's Path to Success says you're half Australian and half Mauritian. Unfortunately, bing bong, you're wrong. No, I'm not. So I can't give you an account. You guys had one guess. And that was only for Orchid's Path to Success, because I know some of you who remember who were in here. I have said it before. So that's not deserving. Giving you a like just because of that nickname. Thanks. Oh, yes, we do need likes. Speaking of, 444 angel number. We need to hit 310 likes in order to bring the butcher on here, which right now is sort of looking decent. We're sitting at 261 likes and we need 310. So right now we need 50. Good maths, Colleen. Good maths. We need 50 more likes to bring on Nick. Butcher. The butcher with no stop loss butcher. And then after that, if we smash 430 likes, we will do the first giveaway. Guys who are in longs, it's looking good right now off that Asia Low sweep, and we are approaching the previous 4-hour high. So if that does happen, if we get a sweep of previous 4-hour high, I am interested in potentially to short back into either a 15-minute gap if we have one, potentially. Let's see what we do at this previous 4-hour high level. But right now, not as a great Frankfurt Open as it was yesterday for us. Smashed out 70 points before London even opened. We got this no stop loss butcher in the chat. Hey, stop loss butcher, I have a joke for you. Knock knock. What source do you use for the news? You can use, well, let me show you. I go between Forex Factory and Financial Juice are the two that I use. This is Financial Juice. This is really great at giving you like any last minute, like if there is a sudden news candle, Financial Juice is really quick to update. So Financial Juice generally while I'm trading, but sometimes also Forex Factory. He says, who's there? Yeah. Financial juice. Van Deep? No, financial juice. That's funny. Mimi says we have a 1 hour gap. Pipti says, hello, Celine, new here. Amazing. Welcome, Pipti, and welcome to any new Tradeify TV watchers. We love having you here. Yahoo, says Nick. Yahoo. Yes, Yahoo indeed. That's all. That's all we have on that one. So Amir, okay, so Amir was looking at the 1 hour gap. Let's have a look. Yeah, right now we are approaching a bearish 1 hour gap. Potentially that would align with the previous 4 hour high sweep. So that would be nice because it's always a stronger reversal for me to play if we are tapping into a high time frame gap in the direction of our trade. And we do have previous day low and previous 4 hour low without being swept. So if we get some sort of reaction in this 1 hour gap after going for that previous 4 hour high level, I will potentially be shorting this. But we shall see. We shall see. Where is the not as hot as the potato Nick? Not as hot as the potato. Wow. Well, his name is No Stop Loss Butcher around here. And he will be joining me in around 15 minutes if we get those likes up. And if we don't get those likes up, y'all know the drill. Okay? Y'all know the drill. Right? I told you. 310 likes and we bring on the butcher. That is all. Do I make myself clear? Thanks very much. Oh my gosh, I need to work on that. I need to work on my threatening voice. What if we hit 310 likes then unlike them? Well, that would just be a joke for you because then we wouldn't have the butcher on here, the No Stop Loss Butcher. Right now, there are over almost 700 of you watching and only 305 likes. Not really that good enough. At 430, we will do a giveaway here. So like I said, go and smash the like button. And we'll do a giveaway and we'll bring Nick on and our very special guest. Jesse James Lynn, do you ever use Fibonacci levels of the previous week's PA? No, I actually never do. Only time I'll use Fibonacci levels is if we have a really strong bullish or bearish price leg that's like worth 500 points. I'm trying to find an area of price to draw back into. So I use, if there's no gaps, I will use like a Fibonacci level and assume that we will. I like to use the midpoint as a point of retracement into. Should be Money Machine Celine. Well, we decided Machine Gun Colleen, so it just kind of has to stick now. But yeah, Money Machine Celine sounds cool too. The Butch one. Mo says, Nick, you listening? He's got a great idea. I'm sure he is. He's lurking somewhere. Hi, Celine. I'm 15th on the leaderboard. Whoa, Mohit Sonny. I missed your comment. Okay. We've got more and more people from the London gang. Let's give us a quick refresh of the leaderboard because more of you are slowly making your way to that top place. So Mohit Sunni, I see you there with $16,855. Let's go. London gang represent. We love that. You should be pretty solid there on 17. Wait, where are you? On 16.8k. I would say that's pretty safe. I mean, I would just let the rest of the degens show themselves, lose their accounts, and slowly you could make your way to that top place. Not that that matters though, because you just need to be in the top 1,000 to make it through to round 2. Remember that, guys. Just remember. The businessman's never seen a cowboy use a machine gun so out of character. Well, this is a cowgirl. business lens. And she uses all sorts of guns. The money guns, the machine guns, all of them. Let me show you. Oh, wait. Wow, it's just lost a lot of power, my money gun. I don't know what's going on. Nick, you need a handlebar mustache and a come on singing young man. Young man, there's no need to feel down. I said young man. Murray doesn't like that idea. Why, Nick? That's a great idea. There's no need to Zui Sidra. I can't say that one. Says at this rate, who knows? You need 7k plus now to qualify. Well, yes, right now you do, but that could change. So keep an eye, ladies and gentlemen, on this leaderboard. Let's see. Right now, these people are not advancing. They have blown their accounts. But if we zoom forward a little bit, let's say go to page 6. I want to see where the top 1,000 is. Okay, that's nowhere near. Let's go to page 250. All right, so this is everyone in place 9,352 right now. These people are not... Wait, we need top 1,000, Celine, you dummy. What am I doing? Top 1,000. Let's go to page 150. Oh, bro. This is going to take me way too long. Page 20. Okay. Page 20. Lol. Okay. Oh, filtered by rank. Lol. Okay, here we are. This is where we currently are sitting. Let's go and find that guy who is currently rank 1,000. He's sitting on the edge there. It is Lisa Knoll sitting on 6.7. So the difference here is, what? 20 cents or something between 1,000 and 1,001 place right now. That actually sucks. If I was Hitio, I would be trading something right now just to put myself in the spot. But in saying that, all of these people sitting there right now in the top 1,000 could be totally different tomorrow. So to each their own, how they want to go about it. Let's give this top page a refresh. Okay, still first, second, and third, the same guys. Yeah, everyone's yelling, go to filter Colleen. All right, we worked it out, chat. Leave me alone. Do we know if Potato Nick has a poop hole? The legs coming out of nowhere in that ad got me thinking. Good question. Very important question. How about you guys go and ask Potato that when it comes to Potato's segment later on today in the New York stream? I'm sure he has all the answers for you. I'm sure he'll love it. All right. Skibbity Toilet says we're on 336. Call Nick. Well, we call him the Butcher. And we got to see if the Butcher's ready to come to town. Butcher, you're up. No, we'll give him a few minutes. He's not due here for another 6 minutes. Stera says, I think Colleen gave Celine the black eye. This thing, you should have seen the other guy. Oh, yeah. You should have seen the bruise on the other guy. Let me tell you. All right. This is getting ridiculous. I need to find a Western accent. Bear with us. We need to find a good Western accent. Well, this is I search Western accent and it's giving me Southern accent. They're different. All right, I can do this after stream. We'll work on my Western accent. That's a problem with the tournament. Everybody degens. I mean, some people do, but we just had the top two. The guy who's in second place just told us before that it was all about focusing on his strategy and not being so focused on the leaderboard. And he made his way up there to the top 3. So, I mean, some people are degening and it's working for them, but it's a comp. So you can't hate on that. It is a comp and you can reset your account 3 times. So, I mean, go for it is what I say. You can afford to reset. I mean, it's $29 to reset. You can do it 3 times. I would absolutely be full porting at least once, maybe twice, before I take anything seriously. But that's just me. Mate says just use your Bogan accent. Yeah, but the Bogan accent is a little bit like this, yeah? G'day, mate. and it doesn't really suit the Western accent. It's a completely different accent, yeah? So it's not really a good idea, yeah, mate? Not really a good idea. Ben Wills, I went for it. I'm out. Did you go for it 3 times though, Ben Wills? Did you try a reset? Warp speed, Frank, yes. It's $29 to reset. You can do that a max of 3 times, so it's pretty good. Gifting 7621, so that's what I did first day. Full ported once, lost, and now I'm going slow. I'm at 6K in profit right now. Amazing. 6K, you're almost, I mean, right now, 1000th place is 6.7K, so that is a number to beat. So you are close, and there is still a lot of time. So you guys will make your way there. I think slowly but surely, that's how I'd be approaching it. After degenerating a little bit, now, after having blown, I would probably be trying to take it a little bit more seriously if I'd run out of resets. Jesse James Link, did you say what nationality you are? I'm guessing Venezuela y Brasilana. Am I right? Born in Australia, obviously, and probably don't practice Spanish lately. Si, senor. I am Brasiliana. Lol. I'm not actually Brasiliana, guys. But good guess. I do get that a bit. South American. By the way, chat. Who remembers in the beginning of the stream, I did say we are, what am I trying to say? Being joined by a very special guest in just a little bit here. 2-3 minutes away from bringing her on. She, gave it a little bit away. She is a favorite here in the London gang, and also a favorite of mine for another reason. So guys, you will find out who it is in a couple minutes, and we will get straight into it. We also have our very own Butcher, the Butcher, coming to join us as well. Guest in the background. If you're ready to come on, I can bring you on. You just can give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay. All right, guys. She is ready. Andrea, shh, close your mouth. It is that time. Let me introduce you to the amazing. You guys love her. She's a well-known guest here on London Session, and she is the queen of gold. We can bring her on. It is Claudia. Welcome, Claudia.
Hi. Good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Good morning. Well, first, let's get into it. Are you trading the Grand Cup still? Are you still in it?
Yes, I am. But oh my goodness, like I'm $1,300 up, and I'm like, please 7,000 or something crazy.
No, it is
It's so
insane
crazy
right now.
Yeah.
Chat and I have been going back and forth about like what is the best way to go about this Grand Cup right now, because the stakes are very high and like the competition right now is a lot hotter than I think many people assumed. Like to be day 2 and already the dollar amount to beat right now is 6.7 thousand just to make it through to round 2. So
yeah, because
people trading silver. What are they doing? Whatever they're doing.
Silver. I opened the account whenever it started at midnight my time, and on Sunday, and someone was already up $4,000, like within half an hour. It was insane.
Yeah, no, it is. It's getting even more insane, and I think as the days go on, these silver traders are just going to keep banking and banking. But it'll be interesting to see what happens. Now. It is that time. Also, Claudia will be joined by the other guy. The other guy we like to call, well, he calls himself around here now, the No Stop Loss Butcher. So chat, you guys did the work. We got there with the like. So let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hand ever moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, stick with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, Sama mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking accent king, definitely not CPI full porting, no prep marathon running, dictated Deem Street strategy, inventing Mario Kart, thrice humiliated, once baited, dishon, the No Stop Loss Butcher. It is the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
Oh, so good.
Love gang.
Nice. Hi, good
What's
morning.
up?
I'm offended.
Why would you be offended?
Because you brought on Claudia without the cool intro. How dare you? How dare you?
Does Claudia have a cool intro that I missed? Damn it.
Yes, she does. Yes, she
Oh my
does.
gosh. Okay, Claudia, leave and come back now. We need the
She doesn't have
intro.
to leave. She doesn't have to leave. But
sorry, gang.
I'll intro her properly, because she is the one and only goal-slaying, tradesy-loving, inhale-exhale mastering, now partial taking, Conor McGregor's cousin, Irish AI, Viking girl, New York Times best-selling author, Claudia Race.
Good morning. I don't have my sign today.
Sorry, Claudia.
What was up there? I know you're in Ireland. You didn't bring your sign with you?
No, I didn't. Although I was trying to find a cowboy hat this morning. Ronan had me running around my house at 7:50 a.m. and all I could find was a bucket hat. From a festival. He told me to wear it, but I don't know.
That works for today.
Does it kill the vibe?
It's a cowboy on holiday, you know? It's a cowboy on holiday.
No, we'll work with it. That's so funny. Do you want to share your charts, Claudia, or it will lag out?
I will try. Screen share. Let's see. Fingers
Edwin
crossed.
says, most boring trading gurus. Well, Edwin, why are you still here then?
Goodbye, Edwin.
Hey, Eric, how are you?
Why are you still here?
Why are you? Alan says, haha, Claudia, you look extremely dangerous and scary with that hat, I think he means. So it's working. They're being
Thank
threatened.
you. Good. That's the effect I wanted.
Lul.
Have I lagged?
But chat.
Yeah, you're lagging.
Yeah.
You just can't share your screen as usual. As usual. It's okay.
Do you know what? I'm going to buy a computer, like a proper computer, and I'll never have this problem again.
Roma goes like, finally. Nice. Hey, Celine, have you taken trades yet?
No, nothing for me yet. Waiting for this. Currently, the previous 4-hour high sweep potentially on NQ. I'm just sitting back waiting. What about you? Are you in any trades yet?
No. Well, I'm kind of just gonna go along in a second.
Go along. All right.
Yeah.
Go along.
You know the drill. We go long. We don't put a stop.
And we ride. What happened to your voice?
The no stop loss butcher's way. That is. What happened to my voice? What happened to my voice?
What happened to my voice? It's not working. We're not threatened.
No, I just have a little bit of a cold. That's why.
Oh yeah. Well, I just want to know from the chat if I'm lagging, because for me in the back room I'm looking really lagged out.
No, you're good.
If not, okay, I'm good.
Claudia, have you taken trades yet?
Yes, I'm in a sell.
Gold.
Because there's a lot of 1 hour lows. Yeah. Where are we at? So all of these 1 hour lows at 4532 area. I'm wanting to see them get taken. So I've got my TP there. It's just the 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I've entered at 4,500. Hold on, let me pull up trade. 4,553.40, and then TP's at 4,532, and stop loss is at 4,573. So it's just a 1-to-1. But yeah, I tried to sell into those lows yesterday and it didn't give me it. So I'm hoping to see them get swept today.
Yep.
Scratch my brain. I hate when there's liquidity resting untapped.
But Bakshish, what's the update on my trade from yesterday? Well, let's look at it. So you remember I entered it at 9 p.m. the day before Eastern time. I held it. My initial entry was 997, I think 998, 28,998, and it went up to 29,420. So 420 points.
Nice.
Came all the way down. Didn't take it, obviously. Came all the way down into drawdown. I added more, took some off, added more, took some off, added more, took some off. Ended up $670 on the day, but I was never sized more than 3 micros. So it was good. It was good.
Nice.
Leia,
yeah.
yes, your message can be seen, and I see you're out of the Grand Cup. What do you want? Should I congratulate you or?
Yeah, you're letting us down. You didn't make it through top 3 of Mario Kart last Friday, and now you're out of the Grand Cup? Come on, Leia.
Leia.
Now, I need to talk about it, Claudia, because Nick exposed you last week, saying that
Why?
you didn't
What
know
did
the
I do?
paddle rules, but we've already all agreed to a 2v2.
Oh yeah, I've played twice.
I need you to now.
You're cooked, Celine.
Is that
You're so fucking cooked.
I've only ever played twice. I don't know the rules. My only goal is to hit the ball, and I do it wrong a lot. But I will
Celine.
learn.
Celine, you just lost $10,000. Are you aware of that?
Oh my gosh, there is a lot on the line here, Claudia. I need you. I need you to
I
lock
will
in.
learn. I'll practice. I
Start
did buy
training.
a paddle, but I need to practice. Yeah, don't worry, I've got you.
See? See, Nick, we're both in training. She knows.
Yeah.
She'll get there. We have months. That's why I made it in December.
You can have
I'll get
years, and it's not going to help you.
I'll get a coach if that
We'll
helps.
get a coach.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, Leia, just real quick, very important before we dive back into the paddle discussion. The reason why I call Leia and I say, "What do you want? Want me to congratulate you?" is very simple. You guys know I collect receipts. The No Stop Loss Butcher always collects receipts, and what I'm seeing, Leia, is your post. Leia's entered the Grand Cup. I said I'll hunt everybody down, and Leia goes, "Think again, buddy." Well, buddy, who is out of the Grand Cup now?
Oh.
That's right.
No, that's mean.
That's fucking right.
Actually, no, we're outlaws. We have to be mean.
Bingo.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right, Leia. So previous 4-hour high just swept on NQ, so now I'm looking for potential reversals. I haven't got any set up to short this yet, though. Just waiting. Before we had the guy who's sitting in second place right now in the Grand Cup. He was in the chat dropping gems for everybody. We were sort of having like a little interview here with him in the chat, and he said not to focus on the leaderboard. He said to just focus on your strategy, your plan. And he says that's how he got there. So he stuck to his strategy. He didn't degen. But I mean, there's some skeptics out there.
You really think Grand Cup rank 2, when you ask him what's the secret, is going to give you the secret?
Well, he sounded pretty honest. What do you want me to do? Call him out as a liar when I don't even know the guy?
Exactly, that's what you do. You're an outlaw, Celine.
Oh, I'm getting used to it. I'm getting more used to the outlaw
Celine
vibe.
is just too nice of a human being to be an outlaw. That's the problem.
No, not true. Not true. Not true. I have my gun.
Not true.
Shut up, Nick. Let's see what the chat have to say. Is anyone in the longs here right now, chat? I know some of you were in longs from Asia, though. Potentially. The secret for the GC is full port silver. Yeah.
Jeremiah says, "Don't full port." Someone who full ported.
Your only fan says I full TP the long. Nice. Just banked off the longs, Ishan. Nice.
I love the fact that Claudia's just wearing a bucket hat.
Let's pretend it's a cowboy hat.
It's too good. It's too fucking good. Misty says, no, I'm waiting for short with Nick. Misty, I'm not waiting for shorts.
Claudia, I'll draw you a trade on my goal chart, but I just have to
Yes.
put your levels in 1 sec.
Celine, can you please read Bogdan's comment really quick?
Justin.
No, Bogdan.
Shut up, Nick. No, Bogdan, that was a yesterday joke. You guys can't get me again. Colleen is smart, guys. Colleen is very smart. Don't you worry about that. All right, Claudia, where are your levels?
So is it my trade or what I'm looking at?
Oh no, your trade. Give me your entry, stop loss. I'll put
My
it on the
trade.
screen.
Yep. So my entry is 4553.
4553. Yep.
And stop loss is 4573.
73. Yep.
And then TP is 4532.
Okay, nice.
Justin
All right,
says,
there we
Claudia,
go.
Claudia's not in the Wild West. She's in the Amazon rainforest.
It's actually, I got it at a festival.
Claudia's on a safari, says Pip.
There's skulls on it. I think that's very outlawish. It's like the Mexican Day of the Dead skulls.
It's like Celine and I are like cowboy actors at Universal Studios, and Claudia's the visitor. She's just a tourist.
It does look tourist.
Oh my gosh.
Jonathan, you've dropped down to rank 83? Damn.
Wait, Jonathan's in the top 100? Let's go, Jonathan.
Yeah, Jonathan was 23 yesterday. He's doing good.
Nice. I'm rooting for you, Jonathan. Want to verse you round 2? That would be sick.
Oh, Celine, I'm gonna not only steal the 5K off your back, but also the 10K from the paddle tourney. It's gonna be so good.
Dude,
It's so good.
buddy, no one said you're even welcome to verse me in round 2. I'll decide. I'll decide who I'm up against.
You don't
Whether you're
decide
worth
shit, lady.
Oh yeah, I'll see about that. I will see about that. I'm working on my Western accent.
Gifting, how safe is 7.5K profit for top 1,000? I say the cut is going to be 10K. But let's see. And by the way, what did you say was the like goal for the giveaway?
Oh, 430.
We're at 410. So we're getting there. We're getting there. So back to that other topic from before, Colleen, my bad. What are your thoughts now that you know that Claudia has played paddle twice?
I could be
I
lying.
certainly-
I could be getting you to underestimate my skills. You never know.
Which is exactly what I was about to say. See, we're on the same page, Claudia. I was about to say, you don't know shit, Nick. You don't know shit. All right. Laugh all you want. It's going to be, like, we'll see who's laughing in November. We'll see.
I just found a book called Paddle for Dummies. I'm going to get it.
No, Claudia, we're not dummies. We don't need the book.
Not for long. Not for long.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit.
Thank you, cheese balls. Don't mess with these ladies. That's right, Jesse James, you know. Morning, Ursula. Morning, morning.
Okay, Roman, can we get a pull up to see right here where price is on NASDAQ? Chat, would you short or long?
Short or schlong? Short or schlong?
She did it again, chat. Hey, you got business lens on your side. That's crazy.
Do I?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, I sort of had to... I had a stern word with him in the morning. Maybe that's why.
I see.
What to put him in his place.
Wait, chat, you don't have to put it in the chat. You're going to get a poll from Roman. Roman, the GOAT himself.
Brandon says, is Claudia intently watching paddle YouTube tutorials right now?
Making notes.
Leah says, I replied on X. Okay, wait, let me see. Let me see, Leah. Yeah, well played, well played. Fair. Leah can lose. We got to give her that. She's a fair loser.
That is true. Some others in here, though, not so fair.
All right, let's see what this poll brings. Short 51%, long 46, 53, 47, 53, 40, oh, 56, 44. All right, most of you are saying short, so I'm going long right now. Boom, bye, done.
Oh, the outlaw.
Roman, let's go to
in.
my screen. I'm in a trade. Thank you.
How many did you go in?
1 micro.
Ooh.
Oh, some sort of outlaw you are. Wow. Heavy.
What?
Mohit says, good luck, Nick. And right now, Mohit is like rank top 100 right now. So be careful.
Well, while Mohit is rank 100, I already made it to round 2.
That's kind of true.
Gifting says, Nick is always in these little 1 micros. Well, Nick is always making money.
Oh.
I'm a micro influencer.
MMU Jeep, I'm with Nick Long. Well, let's see what the vote says. Right now, it's kind of mixed. 53% short and 47% long. So we're kind of mixed here in the chat. I don't really like when we're mixed. Not a good feel about this market today.
Oh, we got the like goal.
Did we?
We did. So chat.
All right.
If you want to participate in this giveaway, then all you gotta do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, in what shape or form I am in, what Google Foam is, or anything along the lines of that, you will get hyper, mega, super duper disqualified. So here's the link. Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, everybody.
And he says, how do you fill the form? Disqualified.
Gone. Goodbye. Hamad says, I think most of the outlaws would make it past the first round. Oh, we're all past the first round. We don't actually enter until the second round.
Tie 3 says, where's the form? Well, tie 3, you're disqualified. But I'm doing great. Thank you. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Troy says,
yeah, I gotta say, the support team is excellent. Well, Troy, shout out to the Tradeify support team because they're coded.
This guy in the chat saying Claudia's hat is not even a cowboy hat.
Oh wow!
Hey.
Thanks. Didn't know, huh? Thanks for that info.
We're not going to talk about that today. We're pretending.
No, that's right. We can be whatever we want to be. And right now, Claudia is a cowboy hat on holiday. She's wearing a cowboy hat on holiday.
How do you add filters? I wonder if I can find one.
Oh, is that a thing? I don't know how to do
How does
it.
Nick do the spud filter?
Oh, that's with the whole other software.
Oh, I don't have time.
Pi 3, I always read your messages. Don't you worry. That's a good point, Brennan. Any hat is a cowboy hat if you're a cowboy.
Thank you.
That's very true.
Didn't know they had the bucket hats in the Old West. Well, that's why they call it the Wild
do now.
Wild West. They do.
I mean, Claudia's getting rich off of selling bucket hats to cowboys.
It's the new vibe around her town. By the way, Claudia, your trade's in profit right now. If you didn't know.
Yeah, hopefully it takes. Yeah.
Looks good.
My trade is sitting at break even. Just chilling.
I'm yet to find an entry, but I will join you guys hopefully soon.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Oh my God. That's That really made me jump because I've got headphones in. I was like, whoa,
I know we need a warning. I jumped from the terrace at Ellen. Yeah, a few of us did jump.
Oh, just wait until my trade hits TP, then you're gonna jump. You'll see. You'll see. Amir says he just woke up with neighbors. Oh, lol. And Selena's gone, and she's back.
Am I gone? I'm back.
You're back now.
Okay. Hi.
All right. Let's run the giveaway. Let's run the giveaway, shall we?
Let's do it.
Let's see. Oh man, this other asshole is here again.
Oh my gosh. Why? Guys, you're not going to
I
ever
don't know.
be entered into the giveaway if you're doing stupid shit.
Yeah, now I gotta filter everything. So I gotta read all the names really quick because there was some asshole putting in stupid names again.
Some asshole. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Claudia, I love
you knew
having
what
you
he
here
put in.
because everyone says I have the worst internet, but I think when you join,
No.
we are equal.
Yeah. I make you look good. Yeah.
I hope so. At least I can share my chart. See, chat? Because they always make fun of me, like, yeah, Melbourne doesn't have good internet. But see, in Ireland and in Brighton, it's just as bad. Okay.
Are you guys using a computer or are you on a laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop.
What laptop do you have?
I have a MacBook.
The same.
Also, the MacBook I'm using is... Wait. I'll tell you which one.
Got a MacBook Pro, 64 gigabytes of RAM, M1
Yeah.
Max.
I got a MacBook Air.
I'm gonna have to send Apple a strongly worded email.
All right, let's spin. Winner of today's first giveaway is bada bing, bada bong, 4925K. 4925K. Type something in the chat. Let's
Interesting
see.
username. But
Very.
congrats.
Hey, there he is. All right. 4925K says, damn, well, let's see what you win. By the way, we're going to add You Suck again to the second wheel. So
Oh,
you
he said
land on
this is
that-
his first time.
if you land on that, you don't get shit. Just saying. So either growth account, select account, or lightning account. A lightning? No, a lightning. There you go. All right, spinning. Okay, it's not going to be You Suck. That's good. It's going to be a 100K growth account. Hell
All
yeah.
right. That's a
Hell
good-
yeah. There we go. 100K growth account.
Good win.
Congrats, 4925K. If I would ask you if you wanted to gamble, would you gamble for more? Let me know. Just like out of curiosity.
Well, he said it's his first win, so I assume he might not want to gamble it away straight away.
I don't know.
Let's see though. He is a trader, so
Oh, he says gamble it away. Hmm.
did he? Oh my.
Yeah.
All right. We
All
always
right.
gamble. All right, I like this guy. Let's go.
Are you fine with these odds, mister? Or should I call you Mrs.? I'm gonna spin the right wheel. If it lands on 0, you don't get the account. If it lands on 1, you get the account. If it lands on 2, you get 2 accounts. If it lands on 3, you get 3 accounts. Let's spin the wheel. He says, yup. All right, Mr. 4921K, you get. Ooh, that is paying off. That is paying off. You get 2
Nice.
100K growth accounts. Congratulations.
Nice.
Boom. Congrats. That was worth it.
That's
Add your
very
email
worth
address
it.
to the YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your Tradeify login email. And enjoy. 2 free accounts.
Very
People are saying
nice.
double or nothing.
Again?
I mean, only if there's 2 nothings and 1 double.
Oh, now for those odds, I would not be gambling. Justin, Nick, how do you rig it?
Alive AJ, what if you win and you already got max accounts? Well, you can leave them in like as a reserve.
You can just always trade them, get them to funded status, and then not activate.
The business lens asks, does Claudia get paid for being a guest? No, she actually pays to be a guest.
Yeah.
Mo, one more comment like that, I'm gonna ban you from the chat for 24 hours. You've been on my nerves since yesterday, dude.
Nah, Mo's all right. Mo's
He's been annoying as shit for the last 24 hours.
What about the New York stream? Was he annoying? Because
Yes.
last session he was.
Very. He's on thin ice with me right now.
You're all right, Mo. I'll always support your comments.
Hmm.
Oh, I think Roman's playing guitar now for the chat. We can't hear it, guys, but enjoy. Roman's strumming away there. I think he's already.
LuckyMon7, Nick, is Claudia really Hannah AI disguised? Yes. How did you find out, dude?
Guys, Hannah is not around. Let me tell you that. I dealt with Hannah when I had to. Let me just say that.
Who's that behind you, Nick? Ah, that's the curtain guy from Celine's Bali home.
He came to your house?
Yeah. Yeah, we're actually pretty good friends.
Nice. I'm glad.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, gifting 7621 says, I was awake from when Colleen and Nick first were on in Asia session. I'm thinking you mean London session. All the way till after New York session and was so tired. Damn, you stayed awake the entire London stream and New York stream? That's some good work. I appreciate that. Justin, what are you talking about? Hannah cannot trade. I don't know how many times I have to say it here. My sister does not trade, but she does annoy me with the Wi-Fi. So I dealt with her, guys. I dealt with her. Don't worry about that.
In what way?
Oh, just, you know what happens around in my town. You mess with the sheriff, you get the punishment.
So you're not an outlaw, you're the sheriff, huh?
I told you yesterday, Butcher. I'm whatever I want to be.
Well, I don't listen to you, so you have to explain again.
Yeah, well, don't come to my town.
Why not?
Don't step foot in my town because you don't listen, you get the punishment. Claudia, you're welcome. We play paddle in my town.
You better go play paddle in your town because you're going to be $10,000 lighter in November.
Mm-hmm. That's what you think.
Claudia, what's your bet with the chicken? Because I told chicken, look, sorry dog, but 10K with Celine, that's my money because I'm putting up to 20K. So what's your bet with chicken?
10K as well. Wait, does he play though? Is he good?
There you go.
Oh my God.
Does he? Yeah.
We've never seen.
Approved
No.
here on Tradeify TV.
I cooked.
Team Chicken and Nick is now making 20K.
No, we're not. You're not. Sorry. You're not.
If I lose this game, you're never going to see me again. I'm just going to run and block you off everywhere.
Well, the thing is, though, the rules are everybody has to bring the cash to the game, and the ref holds on to it, and whoever wins gets it from the ref.
And who are we going to trust to referee our game?
Kefas from the chat. Kefas says he's going to be the ref, remember?
Oh,
That
yeah,
was
that's right.
when we told everybody about the bet.
Okay, we'll see. It's going to be interesting.
Rule boy in the chat says, let me be the ref. That's kind of funny. But no, sorry. Kefas is already the ref. Eddie, I was waiting for this question. How many toothpicks have you eaten so far? Yesterday on stream, London and New York combined, I used 8. So
Delicious.
I'm eating trees here.
I got to get myself some wheat.
Yeah, do it. Well, there won't be a draw. Draw is impossible. Because we're going to do best of 5. Best of 5 and then... What's that?
5 games of paddle.
5 sets.
Oh, I'm going to be wrecked.
So best of 5 means whoever has 3 first.
Claudia, we're not going to be wrecked.
I mean, like, yeah, 5 is nothing to me. Only 5?
We're going to be ready to go. Well, like, that's a lot.
7 if you want. I don't care.
No, we're gonna do 5 because we're gonna do 5. That's a good number. 5 sounds like a great number.
So best of 5 meaning whoever wins 3 sets first wins the game.
Correct. I understand. It's not our first rodeo, Nick.
Nope. It's my third.
Oh yeah.
Well. Yeah, let's go back to my charts, Roman. I'm still in the trade.
Bushwookie, calm down. It's not that bright. Look, I'll turn my charts to grayscale a little bit. A little bit of gray here. You guys are so dramatic. There we go.
No. I'm gonna message Chicken right now.
Wait, you didn't answer my
Interesting.
question.
Celine, have you ever tried blonde hair?
Hmm?
Go, Claudia, go.
I'm just saying you didn't answer my question. Is he good? Before I put 10k down on this, I need to know if he's
Oh, you
good.
already did. We have proof.
No, I said, is he good? And you didn't respond, so it's not confirmed.
Before you asked that, you said 10k.
Yeah, but the thing is, Claudia, he's gonna say yes. The thing is, we're never gonna know. He could be
Oh yeah, that's fine.
absolute shit at all. So I don't trust whatever they
Wait.
say.
Chicken is coming in the chat in 1 minute. You can ask him.
Okay, good. I need to know what I'm up against first. Oh.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Baba G says that competition seems strange to me. I think they already have the winners and that's why they're publishing those absurd numbers. What?
I think that you think that the earth is flat.
Oh god.
Oh, look, Chicken is in the chat. All right, everybody, first of all, put some corn in the chat for Chicken to have something to eat. And then also, Claudia, now you can ask Chicken the question you wanted to ask.
Yes, hi, nice to meet you. How many times have you played paddle? I need an answer right now.
And Chicken, I'm not going to believe anything that comes out of your mouth. So, just saying, I don't trust it.
He says, well. I love X306C. You good, bro? Or you want to spam one more? You got the ban hammer.
Yikes, he said. No.
Okay, so Chicken says 100 plus times. Approximately.
Okay, full of shit.
Full of shit. That like I don't buy it. We'll see.
Yeah.
I've
then
also
in
played
that case,
300 times.
Chicken,
Yeah.
just to put this in like in words. So Celine bets 10k if she loses, me 20k. So that's just the bet between Celine and me. So I'll pay her 20k if she wins. She pays me 10k USD if I win. So Chicken, Claudia said she's gonna do 10k as well. So what are you putting on the line, Chicken?
I think 20k is fair.
You want 20k, Claudia? Is that the bet?
I want,
After this.
20k USD.
Yep.
What are we
All right.
buying, Claudia? Do we go buy a Bugatti or something? What are we gonna buy?
I'm
after this?
gonna buy a computer so I can screen share.
Oh.
All right, that sounds good. I might go buy some Wi-Fi. Upgrade my Wi-Fi.
Chicken, no, you don't. You can literally throw out any number because we're not going to lose. You can say 100k, it doesn't matter.
Throw it.
Mo, failing to appear is forfeit. Yep, we said that on stream. If you do not appear, you automatically lose.
Arjun, real quick, I'll show you Claudia's trade. Roman, can we switch to mine?
Well, that's fair. Chicken says I'm gonna put 10k as well. So Chicken and Claudia, they will both bet 10k each other, and then Celine and I, we do 10, 20k.
I want 10, 20k.
Good.
Okay, so then you gotta negotiate with the chicken.
Okay, give me his number.
It's getting serious. This
Well, it
competition
already is
heating up.
serious. Celine, we have recorded proof for us.
I'm gonna do everything I
true.
can. I'm gonna get a coach. I'm gonna take steroids. You don't stand a chance.
Right, yo.
What?
You don't stand a chance.
It's wild. That's wild.
Some serious prep is going to go into this. Don't worry about that. Coaches, everything. Why do you guys think I'm on that chicken sweet potato avocado lunch? It's the same every day. Got to get that protein in. I've been training.
Brendan says, "Lol, now we gotta do a drug test before the match."
CEO Jack says, "Where is Claudia from?" I'm sure you could guess from her accent. Where she's
Let them
from.
guess.
Well, if you want to find out, simply Google where is Conor McGregor from, because they're cousins.
Justin, if you go, okay, guys, you can make fun of anything about me, but Justin is coming after my cooking, and that is one thing. No go, Justin. I'm a top tier chef. All right, almost Michelin around here. So Justin,
I believe that you can cook, but I don't believe that you can play paddle.
Yeah, but you know what, Nick? I'm leaving that up to that paddle day to show you exactly what I meant when I said I can play some paddle. I'm gonna let you think that I can't play. It's just more fun that way. You think I've only played like 5 games. That's the thing.
Well, I don't just only think that.
When I come out like Serena Williams, okay? When I come out like Serena Williams.
Selena
then you'll be-
Williams.
Yep, that's what they call me. You'll be wishing you didn't pair up with me. Just like you will when we round 2 of the Grand Cup, if we ever go head to head. You'll be wishing.
I'm scared.
I know you will. Kalina Williams.
Justin is right. That's tennis, not paddle.
You think Serena Williams wouldn't beat you in a paddle match?
Oh, she would absolutely beat me, no problem.
That's right. That's why they
You know,
call me
look,
Kalina.
I know my level. I'm not going to say I'm going to beat Serena Williams. There's no way. However, I'm not facing Serena Williams.
Yeah, that's right. You're facing Kalina Williams, her cousin from Australia.
You need a little bit more of a 10 for that one. But
Hey, I'm almost there. Don't worry. Sci-fi gamer, sorry. Celine, did you take any trades? No, I'm not in any trades yet. Actually, nothing really interesting me here on NQ. Now that the previous 4-hour high has been swept, I am looking for a potential short.
ooh, and I'm in longs.
Bit of a fade, potentially.
Fading.
Nick is in longs. Claudia is in gold shorts. So there is a lot happening. That 50-minute close on gold looks nice, Claudia. Nice bearish close. It's good.
Yeah. If there was high impact news today, I'd be worried. Sorry. Go ahead.
No, there's nothing. I was going to say, do you have a plan for break even or anything for the trade?
No, I'm just going to keep stop loss where it is to give price a bit of room because the daily opens to the upside. But I'm just hoping to see a sweep of those lows. I was going to say that if there was high impact news later, I'd be a bit cautious because it would be more likely that price might play about and create more lows. But there's no news today, so I'm hoping to just see a sweep from take out the lows, potentially head back to 4,500, or it might take out those lows, then head up to the monthly open. I'm basically just waiting to see how price reacts after the sweep of those lows, to see where it wants to, what it wants to do after that.
Nice.
We're up 50 points now on NQ.
Nice.
But we need 109. Roman? Thank you.
What? Someone's like, damn, I wish I knew Claudia's language. Sounds interesting. Guys, she's speaking English.
Well, I'm trying to.
Oh, we're up 60 points. NQ's going up. It's going up, up, up.
Oh, watching NQ yesterday after the session, I was having a lot of FOMO. That was quite the ride it went on. I missed out on like 200 points. It was very sad. Looks like we're going to have a similar move today.
Well, technically more. Technically more. Because I was up 420 and you had your entry at around my entry, I think.
Oh my gosh. You did well with that trade. I'll give you that. That was a nice trade.
I didn't take it. I didn't take it.
Yeah, didn't you just keep scaling out of it?
No, I was in one micro, it was up $420 and let it come back down all the way to drawdown, then add up more and then scaled out of it. So.
Dang. Dang. Oh, nothing here for me. I guess we could be potentially getting into Asia High. Next level on NQ for longs. I'm watching that level.
Chad says, my favorite show as a trader now. Hell yeah. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Quacker says, poor Spud got flushed going to the toilet. Do explain.
Who says that?
Did something happen to Spud?
I have no idea.
Justin, I don't even have white charts on anymore. Is it time to put my sunglasses on for Celine's charts? They're grey, guys. I've made them grey for you all. Loop's like, Celine, come on, look for trades. Well, I am looking for trades. I don't see anything I like right now. Okay, so I'm just doing nothing until I find a good enough entry for me. I'm going to sit back, do nothing. Yes, it's a little boring, but I haven't liked anything yet. I'm looking for a potential short.
Bashi's asking, Nick, what about if Trump just posts big negative news? Why no stop loss? Because I'm no stop loss butcher. And the thing is, if Trump does post negative news and the market tanks, guess what? I'm going to add more. And then guess what? It's going to come back up. And then guess what? I will make money. Oh,
I like this area to short from. Potentially, if there is an inversion here on the 1 minute, it's a 15-minute bearish gap on NQ. But if it wants to just fully invert that, then I'm not interested. But right now, reacting in the 15-minute bearish gap. So I'm just going to watch the 1 minute closely here in case I get a setup in the next 5 minutes.
Pipchi says you sound like Ronan Who is that?
Oh, he's Irish. He's talking. He must be talking about Claudia. Brennan Keating.
Is that the presenter? Let me see.
He's a singer, no? Isn't he?
Oh, yes, singer. Yeah.
I remember he was on The Voice Australia for like years. Brennan Keating.
Jonathan says also, Nick, thanks. My Instagram feed always has dinosaur roar memes pop up now. They're the best. Those are the videos that make me the happiest. When I go on Instagram and I see one of those, I'm just happy.
Yes, Jesse James. The same strategy on gold in the London session. That is.
See, made you smile too when it popped up. There we go.
What did our poll end up saying? Oh, very close. 49% short, 51% long.
Yeah, but
mixed price.
it was 59% long, 41% short. Then market started going up and people switched to long. It's always the same thing. It's literally always the same thing. Justin is asking, Claudia, are you in the Grand Cup?
Yes, I am. I'm in profit, but I'm like placed 7,000.
What's your username?
Claudia Ray.
Oh,
6,000.
yeah, no, you're 5,910 now.
Oh, you're moving up.
Yeah.
Not for long. I'm in 10 micros on a sell here, so if it doesn't work, I might be out of the game.
No, I mean, you're up.
You got this.
Let's see. Rank 1 currently has $24,208 in profit.
I just checked. Rank 100 has 12,000, so that's what you need to beat to get in the top 100. Or no, it's 1,000. Top 1,000.
Don't need to be in the 100, yeah.
Oh yeah. I forgot to add a 0.
I just entered into a short here on NQ.
Dang, she's fading me, chat.
Yeah. Oops.
Well,
So
attack incoming.
all right, we'll see. I mean, it's the model. There's nothing degen about it. Actually, the fact that I didn't have a stop loss. Sorry, I forgot. Let's put the stop in. And we'll just see what happens. 290782. Do 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 do. Oh, I finally did the Tradeify setting where you can see the dollar amount in the app, like actually on the price line. That's so good. I mean, may as well watch it over on TradingView, but it's good to know Tradeify shows it too now. All right, that's the trade.
Justin, I would never. You know it. I don't have to.
Oh, damn. Isaac says I was 120 this morning in the New York session. Now he's dropped to 1,700. Isaac, is it because you traded or because you didn't trade that you dropped? Like, did you lose money? Or did others just gain more profits than you?
So funny, like it looks like you're trading a completely different instrument because you're on 1 minute and stretched. Oh, we're trading the same thing.
Yeah.
Roman, switch
there
to
we go.
Celine's chart really quick. Look at how it looks completely different to what I'm trading. So funny.
I can't help it. All right, I'll zoom out. Inhale, exhale, and zoom out. Here we go.
Exactly. Learn from Claudia.
That's right.
Zoom out, inhale, exhale.
Not today.
So no breathing today?
No breathing.
She can only breathe at home. Wait,
What
where
are
are you?
you up to? Yeah, I was just gonna say, what are you up to in Ireland? Where are you?
I'm at my parents' house. My dog's here. She lives here. She's 14, so I come home a
nice.
lot to see her.
Oh,
So I
you're-
just flew over last minute and got a hire car. So I've been taking her to like forests and parks and stuff every day.
Nice.
Somewhere new that she hasn't been before.
Nice. Do your parents breathe?
I hope so.
Okay.
what's the weather like in Ireland now? Is it cold?
Very cloudy and rainy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's warmer in Brighton than it is here because this is more up
Wow.
north.
North, yeah. Damn. Although you got the bucket hat on, so
Yeah, I'm ready for that.
just in
Ready
case
for a
the
sunny
sun
day.
comes out. These
We
guys
haven't
are
said any
asking
like
about.
goal.
Oh, my bad.
Claudia, what do you
Well,
want the
you
like
go
goal
ahead.
to be? We're sitting at 573 right now. There are 920 people watching, so how many likes should we hit for another giveaway?
650. I'll make it easy.
That's
Oh.
actually easy. Damn, chat.
Too easy.
You could just get a gift from Claudia.
You just got free money.
650. Damn. And an hour of time. If you don't hit that, I don't know what to say.
I might have to infiltrate with bots to unlike the stream.
Wait. Cram Duke is up 20k on the Grand Cup. I will take the risk and not trade for the rest of the week. You don't
Nice.
have to. There's no chance on planet Earth that over 1,000 people will make 20k. No chance. Absolutely zero. So, wait, what's your username in the Grand Cup? I want to look you up.
Also, guys who are asking about the dollar account in dollar amount being shown in Tradeify, it's a setting you can change in your chart settings. And then you just go to price levels and then put on show P&L on price line. It's game changing. Someone in the chat told us about it last week. It's awesome.
All right, JIKSC. Let's see. JIKSC. Boom. Hey, rank 6. Look at you, dude.
Oh, London
Look
session
at
represent.
you. All
Watch
right.
out.
I'm ready
There
to
is a
take
few-
some, please.
There's a few London Session gang members in the top, even 100. There was a few people in the morning, so
Mhm.
that's sick.
Fire. Absolute fire.
Benji using a Sony FX30 for streaming.
Dude, get the fuck out of here, man. The Grand Coupe, Daniel? What's the Grand Coupe? The 1v1 duels are going to be real fun.
I can't wait for that. Cannot wait. It'll be even more fun if I'm head to head with you or someone from the chat, really. I would love to go up against some of these guys that talk shit. We'll see.
Moonlight AB says, can we see Celine's charts, please? Yes, you can. Here you go.
We're in drawdown, peeps. We're in a little bit of drawdown here. Stop is just above the previous 15-minute high. I don't expect it to go back up there now, but we'll see. 15-minute with no bottom wick right now is just open Tokyo volume for AM Eastern. We'll see. Hopefully we can get some follow through to the downside. I have my first target obviously off at 1-to-1 as usual, so if that hits, we'll go break even. But we'll see. Since I've entered, I've just been pretty much in drawdown and a little bit of chop now. So I want to see some movement out of here. Out of this bearish gap.
Danny, there is a henna in the Grand Cup, but currently she's ranked 9,324 with $0 in profit.
That would be her.
Nah. Henna-tator, she will be up. Big.
Mort says, Morta, or whatever I agreed to call him. I think I said I'll call him Morta. Colleen, if I win, I'll split it with you. You will need it after the battle match. No. Thank you, but no thanks. I will be taking home a nice 20,000. Claudia also taking home a nice 10k. And we'll go on a nice holiday, won't we, Claudia?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go to the
You'll
Maldives.
catch us live streaming with the beach in the background.
Yes. That's
Pina
it.
colada in hand.
Oh, yeah. In both hands. You know, you can do a lot with 20,000. Which currency, Justin? US dollars, of course. US dollars.
I don't know what I'm going to do with 10k of USD cash in the UK. The bank's going to look at me funny.
Well, it's just converted to GBP. It's just not going to be worth much. Right now, 10,000 USD is 7,463 pounds.
Mm.
Well, CPT, who is trading on the screen, you can always see in the upper right corner whose screen it is. This one is mine.
Justin says, Nick imagining all the ketchup he's going to buy. I think Nick has all the ketchup he needs for a lifetime sitting on his desk right now.
No, that okay. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this seriously. If I were to open this bottle, seriously speaking, it would last probably a month max.
Are you eating it every day?
Yeah, pretty much.
Fair.
No, that's kind of a lot, Nick. That's an issue. I'd say 2 months, 3 months, probably for that size.
Nah,
for a normal person. Justin, would you drink that all in one go for 10k, Nick, in 30 minutes?
I couldn't do it in 30, so no.
Oh my god, please drink it.
If I
You've
had more
probably done-
time, if I had more time, I probably would. But 30, I won't be able to do it in 30.
Has he drank ketchup before on stream, I'm guessing?
Never. Waiting for the day.
Okay.
actually.
Oh wait, actually
Today's
we have
day.
on the in-person stream in Miami, and Nick did too, and Mariam and everybody.
Oh, well, I missed that, so you're going to have to do it again. Do it.
I don't know.
Go back and watch it. It's recorded.
Well, how about that's part of the bet? How about you have to scull a bottle of ketchup if you lose? Not us. This is for Nick only.
Wow. What's my benefit then for that bet?
Because you love ketchup. You go on about how much you love ketchup. By the way, I am a point away, Roman, from the TP. Please hit. Money gun at the ready. Hey, there's TP1. Come on, money gun.
Nice.
P? Did I hear TP?
Oh, I've been married. Go.
Where did you come from? Where did you go?
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where do you come from? Where do you go? Where do you come from? Chickenado.
Just a normal day on stream. All right, let's go. So profits in the bank. I'm going to put the rest at break even now. And we will let the rest ride. Okay. What a song.
That's a TP song.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right. Let's see.
Oh, finally it's going into drawdown so we can add more. Me likes.
Marco King. What in the meth Cotton Eye Joe was that?
Danny Trade says, I'd rather y'all get stopped out.
What? No, that song's a banger. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from?
Good night, Joe. It's a good song.
It is. Where did you come from?
What's the stop loss song? Oh, the one I played that gave Claudia a heart attack. That's the stop loss song. But I can never play it because I don't have a stop loss. Because I'm no stop loss butcher. Rutvak is asking, why all R were cap? Because all do Grand Cup. Hey, Danny, 4 a.m. there? Damn, get some sleep, man. But yeah, I love you too. See you.
Oh my gosh, Miss Goofa says, rumor is Celine learned that London reversal model from Hannah. Lol. You wish. Hannah wishes.
Hannah banana. Hi, we're back at my entry. I was up 70 points. Now we're back at the entry. Going into drawdown. Nice, nice, nice. Let me buy more. Actually, where are we at here?
Oh, did ES take that low? Oh, no, it didn't.
Did he just... Ah, dang it. Ah, dang it. Just missed my opportunity to add.
Dang it, Nick.
Ah.
Dang it. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Oh, I've got that song.
It's in my head too now.
Oh my gosh.
It's going to be you all day now.
I know. Living rent free.
Cotton Eye Joe.
Good old Cotton Eye Joe.
Yeah. I just wanted to add more. Didn't let me. But I still think it's gonna come down more, so I can. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be 1850. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yep. Give me 19. 29,019. Jizzy Trades, how's Tuesday London going? My Tradeify OGs. I'm doing well, how are you? What's your trade doing, Claudia?
Pissing me off, that's what it's doing.
See what?
It's pissing me off.
I didn't
hate
understand that twice in a row.
It's angering me.
Angry.
It's a
You don't
polite
know
way
the
of
phrase
putting it.
pissing you off.
No, I acoustically didn't hear it, what she said. Because her internet was lagging and I heard like...
Yeah, it's
Well, I
floating
heard
about.
it. Finally.
Thank you.
Wait, the business lens. He's back to hating. He says, host something interesting. We're getting bored. You guys are not even talking. We're talking all the time, business lens. The fuck?
What are you talking about? Right
Yeah,
now
Godspeed.
we're
Speed on your lungs.
we're all in trades. I mean, if this is boring for you guys, I don't know. You always want us to be in trades, and now we're in trades, and now it's not good enough. What do you mean? I'm just a little worried here. I did come to TP, but all right, here we go. Come on, drop it. Thank you. Drop it. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, the full
Nice.
TP hit.
Very nice. W in the chat, everybody, for Celine. Colleen, sorry. W. Colleen.
That was a really nice
you.
trade.
Thank you. NQ behaved. I was 57 points, and I don't mind if it keeps dropping. This one I wasn't willing to... Oh, here we go. This one I wasn't actually willing to hold for a longer target. So you won't find me on Twitter complaining about this one. It's all good. But the simple why I was in the short, a few of you guys were asking, because once I had the reaction with the previous 15-minute high. Hold on. This is ES. We had come up into this 15-minute bearish gap, and I was saying I want to see how we react in this gap. If we're just going to invert it, I wasn't interested in shorting, and then I was going to wait for an Asia high sweep. But instead, we did have a bearish reaction on the 1 minute out of the 15-minute gap, so that was the 1 minute inversion here. So the 15-minute looks like this, pretty much respecting holding that midpoint of the bearish gap here, and then a little down wick here, and yeah, a gap also to the downside potentially to draw back into. So I was waiting for a 1 minute reaction, and then yeah, we had that, entered at market, stops just above the high, and then sat in drawdown, and then it ran to the TP. So it was nice reaction there. That's all.
There you go. There you have it, chat.
And there you have it. Kiz, you might have to start line dancing all together to keep the chat entertained.
Are you not entertained? All right, give me some more down. Just added a second micro.
Nice.
I expect it to come down further though. Give me more downside.
Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you go?
See you,
Oh,
Justin.
did we get that? See you, Justin.
What?
Go to sleep. I'm just checking if we had the light goal smash, the second one.
Nope, we're at 638.
Oh, wow. Interesting. Thought we would have got that by now. So 935 people here and only 638 likes. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting.
CXN Martian, is Claudia in a trade? Yes.
Yes, I'm in a sell on gold. I think Celine has it on her screen.
Oh, yes.
There. So
Yes,
my TP is at, where are we at? 4532. So all of those 1 hour equal lows. The liquidity rest, and I'm waiting for price to target that, hit my TP, and then I'll see what it wants to do after that.
Mm-hmm. It looks good. I mean, you're back in the green, right? Entry was...
Yeah, but I don't know. It's been playing above these lows for a day and 6 hours now, so it's just a matter of if it wants to actually take it or if it wants to keep building liquidity there.
Yes, it has to take it.
Yeah, that's what I keep telling myself.
They're too equal. I don't like seeing equal lows or highs on Nasdaq, so I'm pretty sure it's the same on gold. They have to get swept at some point. But it's good. You have it's cool that you give yourself so much room in your trades. That's something I probably need to do. I've started to do a bit more in my trading, like not just put my stop loss at a high, like put it a bit above the high, just in case it needs to come up and sweep the high and then drop, because that's happened to me so many times. Nick taught me that, actually, because I kept getting, we call it and the Nicholas Wickless treatment, where you get wicked out and then the trade goes in your favor. So now I've started to give my trade a bit more. Really? Oh, I hate that.
Yeah, because I caught actually a sale at the top there. If you zoom out a bit, if you go to like the 15-minute time frame.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
So do you see? No. Do you see the way that there was a little sweep of like right there where the purple box is?
Yeah.
See the high of the purple box? Do you know the way it whipped up and swept that previous high a little bit?
Oh yes. Oh my gosh.
That's why I got stopped out.
Oh,
yeah, so that's why I'm giving myself so much room today, because price dropped in my favor, so I reduced stop loss to right above the previous high. It wicked me out and then dropped, so that's why I'm doing. Usually I trade 1 to 2, but today's a 1 to 1 because it's kind of pissing me off at the minute.
Yeah, of course. That pisses me off so much.
We hit the like goal.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Time for a giveaway.
That means, chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form. If you ask me where the Google form is, you're going to get disqualified. If you ask me what the Google form is, where the Google form is, how it is, what form I'm in, whatever, you get disqualified. If you fill it out more than once, you'll get disqualified too. So don't do that. Link incoming. Winner will be picked in about 20 to 30 minutes. Here you go. My trade is back at break even now.
Nice. Nice.
Oscar asks, Nick, what is a Google form? Oscar, you're disqualified. Mortad also asks, what is a Google form? You're disqualified too.
Razak is back in the chat. He said, I still remain on the number 2 rank. All right, let's get a quick leaderboard up.
Let me load. Razak, dang, dog. You don't have to trade anymore. You're good. You're literally gonna, I promise you, I guarantee you, you are gonna be in the top 1,000. Guaranteed.
Yeah, I'd say the same. The thing is, he was saying this morning that he would prefer to take top place. Like, he's coming for Wall Street Matt, so he wants to keep trading. Well, but I don't advise.
I'll give you my take on that, Razak. That's the most stupid thing you could ever do.
To put it lightly.
I would like to use another word, but I can't. So it's just dumb. If I see you trade this, Razak, and you drop, I have no words.
It would be sad if he misses out on next week, if he keeps trading, because he's in a nice spot.
Imagine the pain. Like, it literally, you do not have an advantage by a better rank in round 1. You just need to make the 1,000. Rank 1,000 is going to be treated the exact same as rank 1. So it literally doesn't matter.
Literally.
Imagine the pain. You're rank 2. You keep trading because your ego tells you need to be rank 1. Then you blow the account. Oh, that would be so fun.
Oh my gosh, that would be so triggering. I don't think I would ever trade again. That would happen to me. Misty, you should be sweet with 12.6k now. Misty says my target is 25,000. I'm halfway, 12.6k. I mean,
yeah, you're probably already good. You don't have to trade anymore.
Yeah, you're pretty safe.
Misty, not your name on Grand Cup, huh?
Mohit, Celine, are you out of the trade? Yes, out of the trade now. Oh, TRS investment ranked 68 here. Any advice for me? So yet another London Session gang member, the top 100. What's your username? Let's try TRS investment. TRS. Not there. Number 68. I mean, advice though, anyways, regardless, advice is just to, let's see what you're sitting at. If this is you, Vivek Goswami, sitting with 13,000 in profit, you're probably safe. I mean, I wouldn't overtrade anything. I would sit and wait and see. By the time Friday comes around, I think you should still be safe in this top 1,000.
Razak says I was at number one before. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Nobody cares.
A lot of people, trust me guys, a lot of people by the end of the week will start degenning and just trying to like go all in just to hope for the best. So you'll see a lot of people drop off here. So
here's Misty. If we go to my screen, Roman. Misty's blue eye, 85th.
Nice.
Dude, you're good. You're absolutely fine.
The business plan says Daddy Trump is giving Razak insider information.
Daddy Trump is wild.
And Andrea says, am I late to participate in the Grand Cup and should I buy an account? I don't believe it's too late. I think you still can register and enter the qualifiers, although we are in round 2. Oh, it's day 2 of the qualifiers, so you are behind. Well, but you have until this Friday to try and make it to stage 2. And it is completely free. You don't need to buy an account.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Johnny, let's see where you're at on the leaderboard. Johnny.
Dizanti Trade says I'm ranked 10,000. Any advice? Yep. Do better.
Johnny's doing good. Nice, Jonathan. I see you up there, rank 88. Is it closed? Mark Mekamara, you're probably right. I need to check that.
The sign-ups? I think so, yeah.
Wow. I take that back. You either got in or you missed out.
Mm-hmm.
The join for free button is still there. Interesting.
My trade goes deeper into drawdown. I like it. I like it. And you know it.
Oh, damn. Thank you. Dropping more here.
I like it and you know it.
Alan says, I'm 1,500 thinking about reducing risk. I mean, you're close, but not close enough. There's 2 ways you could go about it. You could start trading smaller and hope that people start dropping off. But chances are, because we're still early in the week here, the people are probably going to start still trading heavy and your rank will drop even more. So I wouldn't reduce risk too early. Not until you have a nice position in the top 1,000.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Who else is holding this short from earlier? 100 points now. That would have been nice. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Adding more at 63.50, chat, in case you wonder. If we go down there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Brandon, I'm still short from 101.75. Nice, 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 nice. You're up a good amount, Brandon. So where are you looking to take TP here? Because You're up a nice 100 points.
Point to Rooney's.
Point to Rooney's. Mohit says, I'm short from 29,080. Okay. You guys doing decent here. Are these on the Grand Cup accounts? I hope they are.
They better be. Kwang Chu, yeah, because that 2.5k doesn't get you in the top 1,000, so obviously they're not happy.
Nice, Brandon, trading that on the Grand Cup account. Let's go. Let's go.
There we
There's
go,
a drop.
Nasdaq. I like that. I do like that. Ducky.
Guys, I will not complain on Twitter about not holding this because I said I was happy to take out full TP.
You did, indeed.
I'm not complaining today. Inhale, exhale.
Yeah.
Is gold being nice to you? What's gold doing?
Yeah, it's pushing towards the lows again. I'm like I'm holding my breath, just waiting for it to hit.
Nice. Let's go, Claudia. Let's go.
I've got this on like 8 accounts this sell, so I'm like really like staring at it.
Are you trading this on funded?
Yeah, CFD funded, and then my Tradeifys, and then the Grand Cup. Low risk on all of them, but like still it would make a difference.
Yeah. Let's go.
User says, you are stop loss.
You are stop loss.
You ask,
why are you stop loss?
Should I call you Mr. Stop Loss or Mrs. Stop Loss? Come on, Nasdaq. Give me 63.50. Why? I just needed 10 more points to the downside. Treating me like
Thomas.
this,
Thomas and Dara says, Nick, at what point do you cut a trade if not in favor?
Cute question.
Do you want to give him a cute answer to his cute question?
That was my cute answer.
Huh. Wags Graham says, Nick, are you still trading GP?
Yes.
Oh, we don't know what he's trading, chat. He won't give away his strategy to us. Which is fair enough, because next week we have to come head to head potentially, so...
Bingo.
You know, I get it.
Bin fucking go.
I have a question for the round 2 of the Grand Cup. How does it work? So do you get a brand new account or?
It's a new 50k account, and that account has $50,000 drawdown.
Serious?
So it's an actual 50k account.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
Full port. To each their own. We'll see. Yeah, that's right, Brandon. Every day will be a new account as well. So if you have the higher balance and you go through to the next day, you'll get a new account.
Pipti, that's exactly why you watch Tradeify TV.
Exactly.
Come on, Nasdaq. I just wanted you to fill my 963.50 order. That was everything I was asking for. LSG, yes. If you make it into the top 1,000, you get a cash prize.
Oh, yeah.
I think rank 1,000 to 900 or something gets $159, I think. I can look it up for you. Here you go. Boom. If you make it to the top 1,000, you get $156. If you make it to the top 500, you get $312. If you make it to the top 256, you get $625, and so on. However, if an outlaw wins, all these rewards get cut in half. So yeah, just expect that it's getting cut in half.
Yes, Erica says some people are at 20K already, lol, but it doesn't matter for this round as much, like how much they're at, because all you have to worry about this round is just getting through to the top 1,000. Then we'll see how people really trade the second round. Probably be a little bit different. You don't get resets, and it's just one day. You just have to have the higher balance at the end of the day. So I think a lot of people will trade it a little bit different. The business lens.
Quang, my understanding is you get the outlaw bonus. If you beat an outlaw, you beat the outlaw, you get the bonus. What's up with the business lens?
He's just always got something to say.
He just likes the word scam. It's his favorite word.
Yeah, always something negative. But he's still here. Lens. We appreciate you being a viewer of the business lens.
Plot twist, the business lens is a scammer. Nope, Kryptoneer. Nope.
Chiefy Joe says no business lens, more like it. Am I right? Yep.
Wait.
Kwang, the opponent can't steal your bonus. No.
LSG, your math ain't mathing. Says $11,000 equals $50,000 equals $61,000. What? Oh, Jonathan, you know it. If you beat me, you'll get a free pizza in round 2. But if I beat you, I'll get a free pizza. And then I get free pizza from Leia and from Julianne as well. So I have 3 free pizzas at that point.
Damn it, don't talk about pizza now. It's 6:30 p.m. in Melbourne. I'm starving.
I love me good pizza. Okay, wait, Claudia, what's your favorite pizza?
Margarita, probably. Just plain.
Oh, plain.
Damn, okay.
Yeah. Or like with garlic. Like with a nice garlic dip.
Ew.
What's your favorite pizza? Ketchup?
Good one.
Yes.
No, Hawaiian.
Ketchup and pineapple.
Ketchup and pineapple, yep.
That sounds about right. Nice. 10 sources is about to pass a 50K in one trade on the next flush. All right. Come on, NQ. You need a dump. Dump it.
Just go back down to 63.50 a lot more and then we're good. And then we're golden. Legend Algo. Nick, are you Swiss? Yes.
No, he's Swedish. Oh.
You want to battle, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Mrs.
I'm just warming up. I'm warming up.
Should I call you
2.
Mister?
User, we said that Claudia looks like a tourist more than a cowboy.
Yeah, I look like I'm trying to sell drugs.
Are you trying to sell drugs?
Maybe to the people that have lost out on the Grand Cup. People that have kicked out of the tournament, I'll just be waiting by the sidelines. Do you want to feel better?
Side hustle.
I mean, I don't doubt it. You said you're gonna get the roids now for the pedal tournament. So.
That's true.
I don't doubt it. Patrick, 30 pink 25 giveaway winner. Gonna announce that in like 15 minutes. Hey,
Hell yeah,
nice.
Diamond's
here.
Nice.
Choose mommy.
What do you have a new nickname? Choose
Yeah.
mommy.
Me.
That gets added to the intro.
Oh my goodness.
The intro is getting longer. Hey, you have
Gosh,
11
really
lines
annoying
for your
me.
intro now.
11.
Oh, wow, that's
It's getting longer. The intro is becoming a real intro now.
Moonlight. We hit the like goal. Yes, we did hit the like goal, but we will be doing it in like 10-15 minutes. You guys have to wait.
Yep. Say says a soccer competition trading. Other accounts in green can't complain. Oh, fair. What?
What?
That makes no sense, Misty. No. 1104. 11 is my favorite number, actually. 11 is the best number.
Hey, let's get a quick poll. Now that NQ has dropped a bit here, Roman, can we get a poll whether people are still bullish or bearish now? Now that we are having a bit of a down move here, let's see where the chat is at. So we were like literally 51% short and 49% long before, but I wonder what everyone's at now.
Wait, that's
Let's
weird. There's like a comment in the chat from "Don't take away giveaway," but I don't see the comment. It's like as if he typed something invisible. It's weird. Do you see it?
I didn't even see his name. Hold on. What's
Don't
his
take away
name?
giveaway. I'm trying to read, but it's just like blank. I don't know.
Is my comment invisible, guys?
Wow,
No, it's
so-
not. Hey, Nick, it's 6:40 p.m. I've been on stream for almost 3 hours, and I cannot give up with bullshit in the chat. I just can't. Oh, I'm done. I give up. I'm hanging up my boots, my cowboy hat. I'm done.
She's actually left.
I can't stop laughing. Oh. It's Colleen, not Celine. Celine would never read that comment. It's Colleen. It's not a Swiss son.
Oh God, funny.
Hey, we still hit TP around here, right? Doesn't matter. Oh my god.
Oh shit, that's great.
Anyway, no one says a word to anyone about that. Thank you, Loop. Loop says, Colleen, you are amazing. Thank you, Loop. Yes, Colleen is profitable as a... Anyway, where were we?
I don't even know. I wanted NQ to go lower. What's your gold trade doing, Claudia?
Let's look.
Floating about. It is in profit. It's just not quite there yet. I reckon once it does take those lows, it'll be pretty aggressive. Hopefully.
It was almost there.
I know. This has been my life for the past 24 hours.
I hate that.
Celine's intro just got a new line.
What?
The problem is I never get to intro you again.
Yeah, so just say it. There's no point adding to my intro. It doesn't exist.
No, one day I will intro you again.
Doubt it. Let's see. Did we get that poll happening, Roman? I can't see it for some reason.
Yeah, we do.
Okay.
63% are saying bullish. That makes me a bit sad because I'm in longs and I want the chat to say they see short.
Well, yeah, that's why you entered the longs, right? Because they all said short. Seems as though now they're with you.
Azer Films, you must be new here. What's up with the cowboy fits? Well, the Grand Cup is going right now.
That's what's up.
Roman, if you go to my screen, if you go to the Grand Cup website, you'll know pretty quickly why the cowboy fits.
And Desanti Trade says, Brett Simba 25k bounty, is that legit? It is fully legit.
Yep, here you go. Look. Boom.
Big bounties.
If you beat Brett, you're getting $25,000. Or how Spuddy would say, 25,000 banderonis. Actually, 25 banderonis.
25,000 banderonis?
25 million?
Yes. At Loop, yes, it is Outlaw's dress code. That is correct. Even the potato has a dress code.
Yeah, we're working on it. We're working on it. Azer says that's pocket change. Good for you, man. Kryptoneer says Claudia looks like Paddington Bear on holidays in the wild.
Oh my god. That's the best so far.
That is the best so far. Hey, Bushwook, you know it. 5 neutronium rippies. That's what's up.
Just Claudia wearing drug dealer dress code. Funny.
Na, 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 na.
I feel like we need to change the stream music to that sort of Wild Wild West vibe.
Just that song all day.
Oh, Cotton Eye Joe.
Oh, imagine the whole stream. Oh, how
3 hours.
annoying. How annoying.
Yes, Zero Tainer Root says 1v1 is random. Could that lead to an outlaw facing an outlaw? Yes, 100%. I hope it does. You know why? You know why?
Yes. I definitely want to kick Celine out of the tournament.
Good luck with that, buddy. Good luck with that.
Thank you. It's kind of dumb to wish me luck for that, but thanks.
Well, I think you're going to need all the luck in the world. That's why I'm giving it to you. Have it. Still don't think it's enough, but you're going to have it. Good luck.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
I'll see you at the finish line, maybe. Potentially.
Well, you can cheer me on at the finish line.
That I won't be. That song. Oh my gosh. Stupid song. Hey, Trading for Newbies says, I just subscribed on both my YouTube channels. Love your guys' channels. Well, we love you, Trading for Newbies.
Love how you just skipped Rhino's comment above that, who says Nick does not require luck to win. He has all the skill he needs.
Just moving on from
Russell as well. Russell says you don't need luck, Nick. You're gonna win, Nick. Hell yeah, Russell.
Wow, Russell. Wow. So you went from being Nick's #1 hater in the chat to now Nick's #1 fan. When did this happen?
That's how you convert him, Colleen. That's
When
how you
did the
convert him.
bromance happen?
Your biggest hater will be your biggest fan if you do it right.
Chicken, go back to eating some corn. That's all
Where's
you're
chicken?
good for.
Some weeks ago, a viewer said Celine's confidence has to be studied. Never read something so on point. That's correct.
That's right. Caval Mystery's spot on. Sling caught the short and hit TP. How about that? How about that? Nothing to say to that, Nick. Nothing to say to that. Or should I call you Butcher?
I didn't even listen. What did he say?
That's all right. I know you guys heard it. Chicken.
Chicken says, Claudia, why do I feel like you're a paddle pro?
Yeah, believe that. That's right.
He says you're fake. He said you're faking being bad, and then bam. That's right.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Chicken is actually scared of you, which is kind of funny.
You're catching on,
It
Chicken.
should be.
What is the
Hey,
height of your chicken friend, Nick? What is the height?
He's like similar height than me,
Which is
but he's a lightweight.
What height are you?
Actually, he's featherweight. I'm 176.
What does that
okay.
mean? We do 5 foot, like feet and inches
Okay,
over
wait.
here for
Oh
height.
God, you're one of them?
Yeah.
Hold on, it's
Is it like
5'7".
5'7". Sweet.
Dang. All right. How tall are you?
5'5".
Oh, I'm the same. I'm the same. I'm 167 centimeters. I just looked it up. It's like 5'5".
I'm just
That's
happy
alright.
because I feel like I have a chance now.
Do you think that doesn't even make sense? What does that have to do with paddle skill?
Height? A lot. Are you serious?
Yeah, a lot.
I mean, now there's a strategy we can build around that.
Yeah.
You know, it's gonna take you an awful lot longer to get to the floor in those bottom corners. So you know exactly how that helps us.
I just see Celine in the corner like din, 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 din.
What? The opposite, Nick. You have no idea.
Yo, Laxman Luke's enough simping for the next 30 seconds.
Yeah, let's
Actually,
put a
60
ban on
seconds.
that. Love you, Laxman Looks, but you can't be spamming.
Oh, this is. I told you before, chat. I kind of feel bad because it feels like stealing candy from a kid, but it's like the kid agreed to it, and I asked, "Do you really want me to do that?" And the kid said, "Like, yes, please steal my candy." So, I'm just gonna do it.
The kid is no kid. The kid is an outlaw, and the kid knows exactly what's going on.
Yeah, but the kid is an outlaw that is about to lose $10,000 US, and I know that's gonna hurt. So, I'm sorry.
Well, like it's a lot. Please. Please.
Well, if it's not, then why don't you increase your bet to 20K like I'm doing?
Because I got the rollie on the way. You know why.
Like it's a lot?
My cash is tied up. All right.
Yeah.
I'll say no.
Oh, it
more.
is a lot.
No, it's not. Just because my cash is tied up doesn't mean it's a lot.
Well, in that sense, it's a lot because you can spend it.
We'll end that there. That's the
You'll
end.
never win an argument, Celine, ever.
I'm so over it. You don't understand. I'm so over it, Nick. I don't want to argue anymore. I just want to come to that date in November now. We changed it. And I just want to show you exactly what I'm talking about. That's all. That's the end to that. Claudia and I will show you.
Kryptoneer. Kryptoneer says, come on, Nick, you forced her in front of 1,000 people. Nope. I even asked her. I said, okay, Celine, I know you agreed to the bet already, but you have a chance to get out. Do you want to get out right now? You can. There's absolutely no hard feelings. And she said, no, definitely not. I'm going to take that 20K off your shoulders as if it's nothing.
You forced me. I feel forced.
Well,
You
that's
just have to
Celine.
put
like
it
a
on that day.
Celine said you're going to be her partner. I didn't. That's not on me.
Well, this is
I am not a willing
partner.
participant.
Was Claudia, were you even on stream or did I just rip you into that? I feel like I just.
No, I was on stream, yeah.
Oh, you were. Okay, see,
That
that's
day.
why.
Yeah. You'll just see you guys dragging me to the paddle court with a bag over my head, like play. So against my will.
We're going to live stream
Very
it too
funny.
on Tradeify TV.
Oh wait, we're doing it on live stream?
Yes.
Okay,
We
fuck,
decided
I
that
really
last
need
week.
lessons. Okay, sweet. Fair.
We're gonna have a
That's so
referee.
much pressure.
No.
No, we got this. We got this. What pressure?
Oh, I
We're
mean,
good.
yeah, nothing.
Well, yeah, we're good. We're good, remember. I'm
Oh,
going to have to message you after this, I think.
give me a pep talk. Teach me how to be an outlaw.
Wow, Leia. That surely gives Celine more confidence.
Leia says, if
Says,
Claudia
if
is
Claudia
sick,
is sick and can make it, I can be a replacement, but I've never played paddle. However, I'm a quick learner. Yeah, we've seen that in Mario Kart. Leia.
oh boy. Oh boy. Worst case, if Claudia is sick, I will make my fiance play because he does play with me.
I won't be sick. I'll be fine.
Okay, good.
Gotta collect some receipts here. All right, let's pick the second giveaway winner, shall we? Shall we?
We shall.
Okay. Let me copy everybody over. I gotta check first if this stupid person is still in the forum. Nope. Good. Good. Oh, actually, he is still here. Oh. Annoying piece of shit. All right, let me copy everybody over. Ooh, TD Garage, you were the last one who got in. Like just now. Just now. All right, copying everybody over. Let's see. Chicken, you're disqualified. Dummy. All right.
Lol.
We should buy a book for him. Giveaways for dummies. Giveaway rules for dummies.
Oh,
All
that
right.
goes for a few people, yeah.
Yeah, true. Mahesh Bish 2967. Huh? 67. You just won. Type something in the chat. Type something in the chat. Maybe, Leia, we can try that. Mahesh Bish, where are you at? It's not Deshaun. No, it's not Deshaun.
Oh, Deshaun. He never came back.
No. Poor Deshaun. I mean, understandable. Mahesh, where you at, my guy? We want to give you something for free, but you gotta be here. Mahesh.
Damn.
You have 50 seconds to claim your account.
Doesn't look like it's
48,
here.
47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Mahesh, you gotta type something.
Oh, this really sucks. This happened the other day, and then they came right at the last second.
Yeah. 25 seconds. Manjeet disqualified. And you can't even enter anymore. 15 seconds. Mahesh, where are you at? You're missing out. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done.
All right. Respin.
Mahesh just missed out.
Too bad.
Well. All right, respin. Respin. The new winner is... Wait. Toe 6 FX or toe kicks? I don't know. But you type something in the chat.
It looks more like a password than a username.
A lot of these.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Where are you?
Oh, he said no way. No way I won, he said. He's here.
Oh, he
No.
did?
Let's go. Congrats.
I don't see him. Where is he? I see him now. All right. Congrats. So now let's spin and see what you win, Mr. Password. Spinning. If it lands on you suck, you don't get anything. Ooh, good. Lightning account.
Ooh.
25K Lightning funded.
Nice.
Well, Mr.
Good.
Password
Very nice.
username, do you want to play a little game of 0, 1, 2, 3? If it lands on 0, you lose the account. If it lands on 1, you get the account. If it lands on 2, you get 2 accounts. If it lands on 3, you get 3 accounts. Now, what does that mean in odds? 25% chance you lose. 75% chance you walk away with at least 1 account. 50% chance you walk away with more than 1 account. You want to play?
Do it.
25K Lightning funded. What is he gonna say? He says, no, I'll take it. All right, fair. Then add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And please be patient. It's gonna take up to 7 days to receive your 25K Lightning funded account. But congrats, Fire, big, already funded. Don't need to pass an EVA.
Nice,
Moving along.
nice. Well done.
Yep.
Guys,
Well-
you need to be there when we call your name. That's a
Yep.
lesson.
Yep, that's the lesson today. Well, with that being said, chat, put a big fat W in the chat if you love the stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every little aspect of it. And of course, we're going to be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. And then tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. with Celine's solo hour on the UK stream. But before we drop out here, Claudia, any inspiring motivational words, any lessons for the chat?
For everyone that's participating in the Grand Cup, yeah, I think what the guy who was first place, whose advice you asked, I think it was really good advice to not check the leaderboard, because it's just going to invite fear into your decision making. Like, just focus on your trading, do the best you can do. If you check the leaderboard and you feel like you're falling behind, it's just going to force you to make bad decisions. Just do your best. It's you versus you. So don't stress.
Good advice.
Nice.
Machine Gun Killeen.
Machine Gun Colleen, currently in a short. Wait one moment. Yeah, and trading again. All right. So lesson today, motivation for today is Stick to your systems. Stick to your guns, huh? Money gun. You guys know what to do. Look, you just have to make it to top 1,000. That's all you guys need to focus on. Top 1,000 makes it through to round 2. Once you're in round 2, it's another game. It's another story. It starts to get more heated in round 2. So just make it through to top 1,000. I will see you guys as usual, 7 a.m. UK. Make sure you tune into that New York session stream as usual, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. But I'll be seeing you same time tomorrow.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.